editing 3FS dragged me in. It's been a minute since I hit one of these. Fellas. Now let me set the stage for you guys real quick. A couple nights ago, I was chilling on a call with my buddies. We got Eddie, we got Jacob. And I asked them a question. Should I have some more balls on my channel? Now, not that kind. I mean more so like taking more risks, doing more videos that you guys maybe wouldn't expect me to do. Because it's not every day you want to sit down and watch a dude play scary games. Now, exactly 1 second after I said that question, Eddie went, "Yes, Max, I think you should." Let's see what the frick we're playing today. Calibration expired. What does that mean? Whoa, like made me do the setting as the video error. This is freaking dope. Mechanics. I got the magic key. Oh. I think I'm gonna do brutal. Yeah.
Calibration complete.
All systems operational. Machine ID V1. Location. Whoa. Approaching the Devil's Lair. Current objective. Find a weapon.
Mankind is dead. Blood is fuel. Devil's Lair is full.
Hello, buddy. My name is 3FS. Welcome to Ultra Kill. Now, if you haven't already seen, I put a community tab post out asking you guys what games I should play, and I specifically said any genre. I got everything from Doki Doki Literature Club to Ultra Kill to somebody's in the comments talking about some Max play some Apex Legends. Now, I figured as this channel goes on, one of my goals for this year was to get a little bit more diverse in the 3FS uploading category. I don't just want to be putting out horror games every single video. Some of you guys don't want to be scared every single day. But this is gonna be a two-way street. Here's how we're gonna do this. Now, I've heard that Ultra Kill is a little bit longer of a game, so here's what I ask of you guys. Whether it be comments, whether it be likes, whether you watch the entire video, I'm gonna need some support from you guys. If you guys want to see some more non-horror games, make sure to just let me know. But let me not waste any more time. Let's get this sucker started, bro. So it's like they chose me to be the hero to save the entire universe. Good stinking choice, bro. Press F to punch. Okay. Get out, bruv. Oh, for a second, left control to slide. Oh, this is already looking phenomenal, bro. Give me slide because it's like that one Maze Runner scene with Thomas like running fast and fart. Oh, I'm just going the wrong way. Left shift to dash through danger. Consume stamina can be formed in air. Bro, this is like Sigma Central, bro. Check this out, ready? Genius, bro. Yo! Do close range damage to douse yourself in fresh blood. This is the only way to regain health. What kind of freaking mechanic is that? Alright. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Guys, I might like blow a gasket in this whole playthrough. Who are these lads, bro? When your friends are thinking? Jump near wall to wall jump. Max 3 times? My name's Max, 3FS is my name. It's almost like this game was made to be for me. I'm already a stinking natural. Control and air to ground slam? Bro, they're giving me way too much freaking leeway, bro. Put a hashtag. Bro, this game is so loud, bro. Let's get real. Most levels have secret soul orbs. Touch them to get point bonus. Might as well, When do they give me a gun, bro? When do they give me a gun? Oh, shoot. Get out of my way. New Blood presents a game by Hakita Patala. Is this a gun? This is a gun? Oh my goodness. Whoa! I'm scared, bro. Hold on, you guys. My sensitivity is egregious, bro. I might need like a Val to Ultra Kill sense converter. Oh, this is more like it, bro. Okay, no, this might get dangerous today. Hold on. Down on him. Get the frick out of here, bro. Come on, bro. It's just like I can just do that to their whole team. Fart on him. Get out of my way one more time. Okay, one happened, one see. Young man thinks he's gonna survive in this lobby, bro. Into the fire. Checkpoint. This game is freaking sick. I'm a sucker for games with good pacing like this. Get out of my way. Oh, shoot. They predicted the dodge. Okay. No, let's do it. They think they're playing with a little baby. I'll float it up. Can I aim down sights? What the frick is that? I'm charging the sucker up. When your boy accidentally figures out a mechanic. Hold. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's what I was figuring out how to do. Let it rip, boys. No. Get turned into dust. Oh my gosh. It's actually like I might title this video, How to Get Turned Into a Memory Tutorial. Let's frickin' go. Check this out. Jump up. Crap on him. Jump up. Crap on him. Jump up. Crap on him specifically. He was angry I killed his brother. Check this out. Hold on, I'm gonna start doing trick shots and stuff. Forgot I got like wall jumps and stuff. The game's giving me all these mechanics. Doesn't give me time to like practice them. Alright, let's go. Big old gears right there. Don't jump off the map, Max. Don't jump off the map. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, who are these big boys? Big boys and they get killed with one bullet. Hold on, I'm like doing trick shots and stuff. Oh, don't even tempt me. I'll flick on you all day long. Get the frick out! Let's frickin' go. What? I got my like water right next to my mouse, bro. I'm actually about to turn my water bottle into a memory. I can't do that. I can't. Yo! Throwing like Sigma bullets at me. Alright. Dude, that's like I blink and the whole lobby's gone. That's crazy. Taking damage temporarily reduces your maximum HP. Hard damage recovers faster when playing stylishly. The game rewards you for hitting like trick shots and stuff? Oh, shoot, bro. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Blast through here. Welcome to my world. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Come down here, come down here. Come. Oh, they're stupid, I see. What are these like, can the young men even move? Sorry. Okay, yeah, that's cool. I'll take that, I'll take that. Let's keep it running, bro. Ground slam control deals damage on direct hit. It's okay, I feel like that like doesn't take that much skill though, so let's get serious. Okay, so that's weird. I hit every single bullet first try right there. Okay, I gotta like take advantage of this multiplier they're giving me. What is this? Yo, who is that, bro? All right. I'm gonna do wall jumps on your boys. He's like never seen a player do this ever. He's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. How you like jumping off the walls, bro? Hold on, charge up. Big blast. 3F blast. I'm like taking his health off. He doesn't even know what to do.
Oh, stop! Oh, stop it! Stop it!
What's up, bro? Oh, they slowed down the final bullet for hashtag style points. Get with it, man. Get in or get out. Ground slam. Let's go. I'll take that. I beat it in 19 seconds. Wow, that's quick, man. Kills, 1 million. Style, infinite. Wow. I'll freaking take it, bro! Get 5 kills with a single glass panel. Challenge? Like, I thought I did that already. Did I not? Put me in the next level. Let's get real. Now, the real... Oh my gosh. It's like the game's like watching me play. Live. Store. What's in there? Let's go ahead and see. User points at the shop at the start of each level for new equipment. Like new guns and stuff. When do I get like the X? See, I got 16 million points. When can I buy some like cool freaking weapons? Give me like a shotgun. Give me like a shotgun. Or it'd be like Widowmaker. Hello, like long range snipe on him. Ooh, bro. Let's keep going. And this right back in it. The meat grinder. That's what's gonna happen to these young men. Oh, they like want me to traverse? Okay, I thought they were gonna like spawn some enemies on me.
They're not.
Bro, and they got this like breakcore playing, bro. This is freaking sick. What just, okay. Come on, boys. Come on. Oh, farted on. Yo! Sorry. Yup. Ground slam. It's like I blink and they gone. It's like I don't even know what's happening. Chaotic. I see. I gotta keep the streak going. Where's that over there? I saw a guy over here. Uh-oh. Hold on. Lots of young men. Hold on. I gotta take out the perimeter. Take out the perimeter and go for the interior. They're like running around aimlessly. Stupid Mandem. Alright, ready for this? Memory special. That only got one guy? Check this out. Oh, wait a minute. Don't even tempt me with a trick shot, bro. Because you'll get turned into... Let's continue. See, the thing goes down so fast, I gotta get, like, the enemies gotta start flowing. Keep... Sorry, I telepath. Do it again. Thanks. Let's go. Just gotta bring him to the middle. I'm actually, like, locked in. You guys have never seen me play like this before. Oh my gosh. on, boy! Let's go! Oh, this is actually a meat grinder. Sorry, guys. Teleport. Teleport. Yo, who was that? Who was that? If y'all ever watch Spy Kids, he's the guy. He's the guy. Wait, where can I go? There's like 2 ways I can go. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Wait, I just came from there. Wait, did I? What is this? What is that? I can't like, can I like power shoot it and it does something? Nope, okay. Oh, I guess that was just an alternate path, okay. All right, let's keep going. My goal is the multiplier has to reach like 1 million. Yeah, there's a crazy guy over there helping me. Dude, thank you, bro. You will get lunch after? So I'm like trying to flick on him, bro. It's like it's just built into me, you guys. I used to be like an FPS demon back in the day. My sense is a little bit wonky. I'm getting like my gears grinded out, I'm oiling up the engine, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Getting back in the mode. There's all the guys in it there yet. Holy crap! I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but stuff is going down. Stuff is happening. It's getting crazy. Let's go. Gosh, the soundtrack too. I'm feeling my blood's pumping. My blood's plumping. I'm plumping. You guys like plums? Time. 4 seconds. Kills. 1,000. Okay, a little bit less. A little bit less. Score. Still infinity. S rank. Come on, bro. Okay, challenge. Beat the secret encounter. Okay. All right. When the secret guy comes up, you gotta fight him. Let's keep it going, bro. Okay, okay. When can I get a new gun? When can I get a new gun? Wait a minute. Ah, I see. So what is this? Press Alt to throw a coin. Hit an airborne coin. Hit an airborne coin to deflect your shot into the nearest enemy's weak point. Coins can be chained. Bro. Oh, come on. 30k points? What is this 25k one? Hold Alt fire to charge a piercing beam that ricochets. I'm not gonna lie, that's some butt cheeks, bro. Give me this one, bro. How do I throw the coin? Wait, wait, wait. Okay, wait. Y'all ready for a little test run? Bro, this is crazy! That's the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life. It's crazy, because I can do that IRL too, you guys. I was practicing that a minute ago. Alright, let's keep it going, let's keep it going. Let's test out this little coin mechanic, see how they like it. Check this out. Preload, double down. Double down, can't frown, let's get up. Money, money, money. Let's go. Head up. I'm just having the day. Oh shoot, I gotta like hit the coin. Hold on, sorry you guys. No, so, oh my gosh, my butt cheeks in his face, he just died. Yo, this coin. So, what am I doing, bro? Sorry. Sorry guys, I'm like hitting little apologies because I feel bad for him. Hold on, you know what I don't feel bad for? Check this out. He's still shooting! How, bro? I nailed him in his freaking kisser. Double bullets! Oh, this is unbelievable, bro. When have you guys ever seen this before? I know you watched the gameplay before, but like, come on. Alright, bro room. Let's go. Oh my gosh, they like know I'm the warrior. Hold on. They blocked me off. Little stinker. Wait a stinking minute, buddy. I'm hitting 180 trick shots on you, little boy. Welcome to my world. He's got that sword. Why are we fighting? He was just helping me out. Swords machine. Hold on, check this out. Coins can be chained. Oh, wait a minute. You didn't know I had it in me. What's up, little bro? What's up, little bro? What's up, little bro? What's up? Nah, this is crazy. He disappeared, bro. He couldn't handle the heat. Press right mouse button to fire an explosive, hold charge at a distance. What the frick did I just get? Say no more. Say no more. Open that sucker up. Let's continue our amazing gameplay. Brutal. Chaotic. Excuse me. Ah, now we go back up here. Okay.
Buzz it open. Let's continue our journey.
Primary fire pierces weaker enemies. Okay, let me be the judge of that. Oh, this is a shotgun. Sorry, I just had to try it out. There's like no need for that, but I just like, well, I'd try, you know what I mean? Bro, let me do the coin, bro. The coin, there's just nothing like this coin, bro. Like, that is crazy. That is crazy. All right, give me back this one. All right, check this out, check this out. I'm gonna do something you guys have never seen before. 1, 2. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Hold on, I gotta calculate the arc of the coin toss. Hold on, I think it's my lucky day. Oh! I knew, oh my gosh, you know what I'm gonna try? Check this out. I'm gonna go in the room and hit like a boom, boom coin. Oh. Let's go, let's try it. Sorry, guys. Sorry, little boy. I'm like blinking and they're like getting destroyed. It's like Resident Evil when I was just like blinking, everybody's dying and stuff.
Okay, yeah, this dude's kinda going crazy.
Oh! Yeah, that's what y'all get. That's what y'all get, bro. Oh! Oh! Goodness gracious, what is that? Get turned into a memory simulator. Alright. Bro, these like little light beams are crazy. Hold on. Is it time we try it? Oh my gosh, wait, that was like almost it. Hold on. Oh! No, I'm ridiculous, bro. I'm ridiculous, bro. That killed everybody in this stinking lobby. I totally forgot I can like crouch and stuff. Why am I not crouching? That builds up the style points. I see, I see. Okay, I need to stop like chaining them together. It just doesn't work. Gosh, the 180 trick shot is absolute bro, it's ridiculous. You guys would never believe this. Okay, the nuke corner. The nuke corner. Oh, his shot like ricochets. Oh, I see. I didn't even notice it. That was so lame. I didn't know I was getting farted on. Oh, it's almost like it didn't even happen. Let's go. Let's start it off by getting it in the right. Let's get in the right headspace. Let's go.
No, just don't throw the coin where I want it.
That's fine, because I'll do that right after that. Headshots all frickin' night long. All frickin' night long. Charge it up, charge it up. Bye-bye. Dodge out. Dodge out. Slam on you. Oh my gosh. In your face. Wait, hold on. In your face. Okay. In your face. Oh my gosh, he's ridiculous. Okay, wait, he's like low-key beating the crap out of me. Hold on. Oh my gosh, that was almost frickin' it. Come on, man, come on. Let's frickin' go, bro. Come on. Hasn't even done a single lick of damage. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Hold on, in your face. Goodbye. Say good morning to your mother. Let's frickin' go. Let's keep it going, bro. Did I say good morning to your mother? Looks like I'll be saying good morning to your mother. 4 seconds, wicked fast. Okay. Gosh, man. I see why y'all wanted me to play this game. This game is crazy, bro. Challenge kill only one enemy? Was? No. I just declined the challenge. Okay, what other stuff do they have provide for me at the shop? What other stuff y'all got for me? Ooh, hold on. For the shotgun. A saw. Hold off bar to rev a chainsaw. Release to launch. Pierce. Oh my gosh, I didn't even mean to do that. My mouse took over. I need to try out this chainsaw. Hold on, bro. Let me try out this stinking chainsaw. Let's go, bro. Come on, get it, boys. Come on, get it, boys. I'm here all day. I'm here all day till the sun goes down. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I can see the cheating accusations already, you guys. Oh my gosh, just like miss all my shots right there. Oh, say goodbye. What is he doing here, bro? Get out, bro. Hold on, let me use the special enhancement. Oh, it doesn't have that much range on it. I see. Goodbye. I'll take it, bro. Nice. Gosh, that was crazy. Oh. Thank you. Ooh. I'm going into the butthole the whole thing. What am I doing, bro? Here, take a lucky coin type toss, bro. Nice. Cooling chamber. Yeah, you better cool me off. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot. I feel like a sweat bead dripping down my chest right now. Oh, shoot! Oh, it's like I'm on a roller coaster. What the frick was that? How did I, like, launch like that? That was crazy. Bro, I can't get enough of that, bro. You just like sit on him and you just crush him into nothing. 1,000 pieces. You can make a puzzle out of him, bro. Oh my gosh, triple S. No, let's keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Drop. Oh, that was it. One machine army. Wow. Gosh, I'm blowing through this like a whistle. Dude, I'm hashtag wicked, bro. Slide uninterrupted for 17 seconds. How do you do that? Do you like B-hop slide? What the frick? Okay. What else can we get? I never even looked at what the pump charge was. Press Alt fire to pump your shotgun, increasing the power, decreasing the accuracy. Nah. Is there like, can I like level it up? Like imagine if it was like a, I just throw a fatter coin that makes more power, bro. Oh yeah, give me a little level up, bro. Please. That is so freaking crazy. I don't even need an upgrade. Let's keep it going, bro. What's going on in here, bro? Oh my gosh, I almost died. Almost took a bath down there, bro. Where am I supposed to be going? Over here? Like the door and everything. Oh wait, I gotta get. Oh, I had to get a little jumpy. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they wanted me to like wall slide through that whole thing. Okay. Here we go. Here's what I'm looking for. Little store right there. Why is that? They think I'm gonna die. Abandon hope to ye all who enter. What the frick, bro? One shot? He actually just gave me a run for my money. No. Put me back in. Abandon hope to all who enter. I just gotta stay away from him, bro, because he has the little dashes, bro. Hold on, I'm feeling lucky. Hold on. Yeah, I just gotta time the dashes. Why is he, when you bring your friend in to have fun with you? What is that, man? Hold on. Stop it! You stop it now! That's how I got. Okay, I was doing damage to him though. Look at that. Come on. Let's go. There we go. I just need to stomp on his head every now and then to get some health. I think I'm gonna go for this first guy still, because I need to get him weak. I'll just slam on you for the fun of it though. Oh my gosh, my lucky day. I'm gonna kill your brother. You're gonna be so ticked. Come on, bro, come on! What do you activate crazy mode? Let's frickin' go, bro! Y'all didn't know this, but I actually activated crazy mode when he did it. Come on, bro. Slide down the steps. Slide down the steps. Get me in, man. Wow. Holy crap. The animation, he was like, when he like threw that little ball. That was crazy. Don't inflict fatal damage to any enemy? What kind of challenge is that? Don't have fun at all type challenge, bro. No. I'm going beast mode. I activated it before I even pressed record on the video, bro. The cyber grind. Endless survival mode. Okay, no, yeah, okay, I read about all this. I'm pretty good. I'm pretty alright. Oh my. What is this? Ultra kill, but it's ultra beautiful. Ultra kill, but it's ultra peaceful. 3 fish said an ultra trick shot. 2 for the Mandem. 2-4 for the Mandes. I don't know what the girl version is. 3 for the grandparents. And 4 for the newborn babies. Welcome to the world, everybody. What possible enemies would they bring in this place? You guys better not start stinking moving, bro. I'll take both your heads off. Just like that, man. Don't even test it, bro. When your boy has a triangle in the middle of his room. It's like a simulation. It's not even real. It's like Bone Lab. What the frick do we have going on? Oh! Ah, guy activated secret. Done it big time. Ah, I see, I see. So that's like the guiding thing. I see, because... What does it want me to do? Stand on it? Am I doing the right thing? Am I supposed to be just like pounding it into the ground like that? I don't think that's it. Wait a minute, there's broken script up here. Oh. Broken secret for the broken guy. Oh, maybe I gotta go through this door. Okay, okay. Ah, I see. Then I bring... Pick up items with F. Ah, and then I bring little guy up to the little observation tower.
Follow me, young sir.
Now, can I have this dude as like spectator? And he like calms, like how Jacob talks, and he's like, oh my gosh, he done it again. No, probably not. Okay. Dude, I just know like if he saw my gameplay, he'd actually jaw on perma drop, bro. Perma drop. What the frick is that, bro? Little purple guy floating, little purple man. You get your head frickin' taken off sub-0 seconds. Oh, there's like more of them. Hold on, it's like my lucky day. Whoa, what's all this hitting, bro? I'm getting flicky like a Ricky. I'm getting flicky like Ricky. I'm feeling super Ricky. Bam. Bam. Don't get close, little fella. You're gonna regret it. Well, that's a good way to get health if I just go up and start beating the crap out of them. These guys have crazy health. Sorry, sorry. These guys actually have some wicked health to them. What the heck is this? I like it. Oh my gosh, are those like what it's a nail gun? I was throwing it with nails! No, let's keep using it, man. I got all these stinking weapons. Nail gun, use I always do that, bro. Right mouse button to fire nail magnet. Could be attached to create traps. What the frick? What kind of mechanic is that? I'm massacring these guys, bro. Oh, sorry. Everybody just stand back for a second. 1 second. This thing isn't mowing down as much as I thought it was. But that's fine, that's fine. I mean, I'll take this over much else. Oh, shoot! Oh, bombs are launching! Forgot I could do it to him!
Little man down here. How'd you like tasting my butthole, bro?
Bro, I can't, bro. The bomb is too funny, bro. It's like this big old explosion. And then, can I get my nails back? That would be sick if I could get my nails back. I can. This thing, it explodes too! Wicked, bruv. Okay, here we go. Ah, okay, now I got a spectator. Watch this, little boy. Watch this, little guy. Oh! Wait, where do I take this? This is back that one area. Wasn't it this way? It was this way, it was this way. Nope.
I've never seen anything like that in my life. How amazing.
I'm still surprising myself with these plays. Oh, wait, I was gonna take him back here. I see. This is crazy, bro. You guys are never gonna see gameplay like this ever. And here we go. Here's what I was looking for. Bang. Boss, I could already detect it. Why'd I shoot that there? There we go. That's better. Shoot, they're like it bounces out equilibrium, bro. Dang it. I forgot it explodes. I can just like straight up shoot it into one of the guys. That's crazy. Supreme. All I've seen up there is S's. I don't know about you guys. What I like about this game is there's a lot going on, but you can also like see stuff too. In most games, you just like can't see anything. Well, it's not the easiest to see, but you guys get my point. I'm like surprising myself with the amount of damage I'm doing to these little guys. Sap, bruv. Wait a minute. Did I reach like level 2? What else can I get? Nail gun. I got 56 trillion points. Attach a cable that slowly charges a powerful electric shock. No thanks. Alt fire with shooting overheat for a quick burst of damage at the cost of heatsink. I don't know. I don't know. Might as well. Okay, wait. Let's see what this little guy does. No target. Ah. So it's like I gotta spot an outlet in a wall and plug it in? It turned into a power tool. Very interesting. Wait, can I try it? Let me try it. Where's all my friends? Oh, here's some friends. Ew! Oh my... Rest in peace, guy. Wait, what does that do? I'm like putting all of them airborne. I mean, that's kind of cool. I'll take it. I'm sorry. I'm in the trick shot mood today. So it kind of just electrocutes a guy. I don't know if I like that much. Like, I would like if it was like blow the whole world up in one shot. Like, that's what I'm looking for personally. Oh, I gotta get up there. Hold on, man. That has to do like jumps and crap. You can't dash up, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm playing bingo. These guys are playing. Oh, there's like a guy over here. Hold on. I'm playing bingo. These guys are playing Go Fish. No hate on Go Fish. That's just what they're playing. Bro, I just don't know how to move in the game. Stop dashing around! Thinks I'm dashy. What up? Yes, I'm trying to get up here so I can zoom. That's what I'm looking for. All right, I need some fresh blood. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna squat on this guy. That is, oh my gosh, that's method. If I just insta-shoot the coin as soon as I get it out of my inventory, that's like a crazy shot. But welcome to the game. Hold on, I don't think they've ever seen this before. Oh! Am I supposed to find something back here? What's this like calm music? No, bring back the hype stuff, bro. Oh. When your boy got floating nails. Oh, wait. Ah, big guy up here. Oh, that's just not what I was supposed to find? Alright. Oh! I'll take it. What the? I thought I couldn't go through this door. All right. Wow. I was just looking around for 10 minutes trying to figure out how do I get through this door. I mean, when I gotta walk up to the door to open it. Here's what I'm looking for. Thank you. I gotta fight the guys. What's like on fire? I'm hearing like something cooking. Making me hungry a little bit. Gotta go through here. Oh! Sorry guys, just gotta... There you go. Oh, okay, yeah, now I got this blue guy. The burning world. Who set my nice place on fire? Oh, I'm gonna freaking rip their head off. Let's rip the heads off. Let's rip the heads off. Let's go. A blue flash means an attack is unparryable. Whoa, 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 whoa. Unparryable? Oh, sorry. Oh! Unparryable? What kind of bull crap is that? They're behind there trying to sabotage me. Foolish little man. Doesn't know what I can do with this little weapon of mine. This little weapon of mine. Gosh, bro. Set the nice place ablaze for what? Let's find out. Keep it going, bro. Back in the mode, baby. Back in the mode. Let's show them what we're about in it. Let's go in it. Double trick shot is just a start. 2 coins just for the second finisher. And here's what we're gonna do. Give him a taste of the glory. Oh my gosh, I just blew out the half side of my face. Little guy down there doesn't know what's gonna happen. 1, 2. That one's for you. Let's go. Whoa! Punch it for the finisher, man! Come on! It's gotta hurt with everything until it explodes. Down I go. A crazy performance that was. I know it's a C. Gosh, man. I might be the best to ever play. I must be the best to ever do it, bro. Do not pick up any skulls. Not gonna happen. Why would they say that? Level 3. Alrighty, y'all. Well, I'm having a great time, but I think that's where I'm gonna stop it for today. Now, like I said, you guys, show some support if you want to see me do more games that are just not the normal stuff you'd see on the channel, you guys. Let me know in the comments. Let me know by the like button. Let me know by watching the whole video. Just let me know somehow. Make sure to let me know y'all's favorite time step. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially to make it this far. And I'll see you guys in the next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace. Line me up, bro. They have photographic memory. Bro, stop. I'm gonna end the game right now. I'm gonna end the game right now. What a convenience. Put it on there. Wait, what is that? I need a pen? Oh, wait, what is that? I'm gonna do it on his easy face before I freaking see him. Wait, again? Wait, 3 times? Loading, please turn off your PC. Okay. Howdy fellas, my name is Thriftfest. Welcome back to Resident Evil 7. Now apparently the Instagram and TikTok algorithm are loving this game. So let me not waste any more time. Let's get tootin' and pollutin'. Let's continue this gosh darn game. Alright, now if everything goes accordingly, I should be in a little RV right outside the house. Oh wait, give me a tip. Close. Okay. Okay, yeah, here I am. Alright, let me get a little refresher on what I got. I have a knife, a gun, a shotgun. Okay, everything I absolutely need ever. Okay, I'm chilling. Phone? Oh my gosh, I was waiting for this Zoe phone call. What's up, Zell?
You made it. You're the first I've ever seen make it this far. So what is it you need me to do? Is it gonna help me get out of here?
Yes. Now listen carefully, Ethan. My family and I, our bodies are contaminated.
No one would have ever
I can't
guessed.
leave the property unless I get it out. And the same goes for Mia.
Is there a way to get it out?
We need the serum. It should clear whatever this stuff is out of the body.
Uh-huh.
As long as you're not too far gone.
Okay.
All right. So where is it?
If I knew where one was, I'd already be long gone. But I
gotta
have a
create
feeling
this
my mother
sucker?
has hidden some inside the old house somewhere.
What?
So if we get this thing, I can help Mia and we can get out of here?
Right.
Bang.
And so can I. The old house is near the water. You can't miss it. I just hope you can handle my mother.
Your mother?
Be careful. They'll be looking for you.
Bro, the first thing that came to my mind when she said, and so can I. I've never met Zoe, bro. Who is this, bro? You know that image where it's like the circle around the dude? Who is this? She's like, oh yeah, we are getting out. We are good. Bro, I've never met you, bro. I don't even know if you're real, bro. All right, she said something about the water. All right, I'm just gonna follow the path. This is gonna be a piece of cake with an extra piece of cheese. Extra bit of icing. No, wait, yeah. This is where, yeah, okay. I remember this. Mia walked over here and then I completed the little puzzle. Now this is where we're gonna encounter the mother, yes? Okay, people were like getting on my butt cheeks in the comments about not breaking all the boxes of stuff. Yes, bro. Ah, okay, let's go. Yo, what the frick is that, bro? No, not bugs, bro. Not bugs, bro. Not bugs, bro. Bro. Bro, oh my gosh, it's a big freaking like wasp! He's dodging, bro! No way, bro! Get turned into a memory, little boy. Oh my gosh, I wanna whip out the shotgun, bro. Finish off an enemy with a knife. Bro, you can do, okay, see, okay, bro. You can do anything, don't do bugs. I'm not doing that. There's like more of these suckers in here. It's gonna be real bad for you today, boys. I don't give a fart, I'm wasting ammo. I'm not fighting stupid little frickin' bugs, bro. Goodness, man. Ew! Okay, February 18th, 1802. No one gives a fart. I wasn't even alive. Oh my gosh, bro. It's just gonna be bug infestation, bro. I lost half the viewers already. Nobody's watching this crap. Oh! It's a big old pestilence on the wall, bro. That's gotta be the hive. Now, okay. Over or under 5 bullets to kill the whole thing. Oh, I should save it? Okay. Alright. Alright. Ah! Okay, get too close to the hive, trigger everybody off and they start killing you. I got solid fuel. What the frick is that? It's like a puck of calories? Flammable solid? Burns fiercely when ignited. Can't be used as is. Oh, I thought that said can't be used as. I was gonna be like, alright, as what? Yeah. Okay, so I need to... Oh, let me go through here, bro. I don't want to deal with the beehive right now. Okay, there's 2 of them. She's upstairs. Don't go up. Bro, who wrote this, bro? Horror game... Oh my gosh, man. This actually makes me uncomfortable because I live in a place at Texas where like you'll walk outside and there'll be like a big old scorpion chilling at your feet, bro. Frick off with that, bro. See, okay, yeah, it's telling me, bro, I'm out, bro. Stop. All right, okay. Now they gave me this for a reason. Okay. Can I throw this on there? Can I stick it on there and then just light them up? I gotta do it, bro. I have no idea what I'm doing. Combine? What the frick would I combine it with? Wait a minute. Oh. Hold on. Alright, no. What are the chances that I have some of that cool stuff saved? Oh, I got 2 of them! Okie dokie artichoke, bro. Let's check it out. Okay, I just sold the whole gameplay. Oh, wait, no. Okay, hold on. It says fuel for the burner. I read a comment on the last episode. Apparently, I can make some stuff for a flamethrower, which I'll do. Now, for now, I really don't know what to do. Maybe I could, hold on. My game is like saved. I could like just like test it out and like shoot the hive, see what's up. What are the chances I can run around him? Let's find out. Ah! I thought I could do it. They still chasing me? No, okay, it's just that room. Alright. I'm gonna light him the frick up, bro. Now, where's the mom at? Okay, yeah, I need to find the little spider thing for the spider puzzle. Yeah, flamethrower part 1 right here, right? Okay, never mind. Chem fluid? Hey. Shotgun shells? Hey. Here we are. Burner grip. Okay, I got the burner grip. Alright, and then I find one more thing. Is this it in here right now? No frickin' way. What is this? I can carry more items. Thank you, Jesus, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, and a save? Bro, they're just loading me up today. Loading me up. Saving, turn off your PC. Where can I find? Ooh, I can store some loot. Alright, I don't need the psycho schematics. Is that what they're called? Psychostimulants. Oh, wait, no, I can take that. Hold on. Okay, now there's a question in the air. Where the heck is part 2 of that flamethrower?
I need it bad.
Oh, shoot, there was that, other room with the bugs I could go through. Okay, yeah, it's probably gonna be in there. Gosh, bro, 2 of them, bro! I'm wasting all my bullets on them. Yo, he jump scared the crap out of me, bro. 5 Nights at Bug, bro. He just... What is that, man?
No.
Oh. You can get fricked up, little boy. Enter this lobby, get started out. Come on, man. Alright, I remember seeing her go through this door. Can I go through this door? Thank the Lord. Bro, why did I think that was like a calorie puck for like immediate healing? That would look, you gotta be a nice item. Ew! Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, ew. Okay, no, this flamethrower is gonna be ridiculous. I need this part 2 now. What was that, shotgun shells? I gotta get these boys. I start using some of these shotgun barrels. Hey, what are the odds that the shotgun bullets get every single last spider? Let's see. Oh, I got a decent amount. Alright, let's save. That's definitely for like a flamethrower type of thing. Dang, okay, it took out a decent bit of them. The frickin' bro, he gave it to me for free. I might as well take it, bro. It kills me. They start like dodging, and then they're like, okay, hold on. Let's go. I'm just riding past him, Dude, why are there like a million of them, bro? Okay, come on, just fight me already, bro. Or. Of course I do that crap, man. Get farted on, little boy. You too, bro. Didn't even frickin' have time to react to me. Okay, thank you. Burner. Rip that sucker out. Let's... Oh boy.
Big boy has entered the lobby.
Oh boys. Get up, it's time for school. It didn't do anything!
No, I think we should go get her. Let's do it.
Now they're getting angry, bro. Get inside right now. Oh! Yeah, get rid of all those spiders. Oh, thank the Lord. Alright, I got a lot of burner fuel. Alright, I'll take it. Bro, it's just chilling. I lit it up. Oh my gosh, they're getting peeved, bro. Frick off with that, bro. They not got like school work they could do or something? They're eyeing me up, bro. They have, photographic memory. Bro, stop. I'm gonna end the game right now. I'm so sorry, y'all. I could do so many things. I just can't do frickin' bugs. I'm not gonna eat for like the rest of the day now. Get the frick out, man. Alright. Did I kill the bugs I could? No, there's still big frickin' egg in there. What if I take a shotgun to the hive? Okay, hold on. What if I just light up the... Wait a minute. I think I can kill it. I can. But I got like a lot of shotgun ammo and I got gunpowder. Oh my goodness. Frickin' passageway just for me, bro. Good morning, Max. Antique coin? Alright. Okay. What's in here, bro? No more bugs, please, bro. No more bugs, please.
Ethan?
Mia?
Ethan!
Mia! Hello.
No more bullshit, Mia. I want some answers.
I know.
Yes.
I know, you're right. And I always wanted to tell you. But I can only remember a little and the rest is just gone.
Oh! Mia, look out behind you.
Right? You mind if I, borrow mommy for a little bit?
Oh!
Why don't you stand there? Do something!
Ethan, help!
Let's go, bro. I got all the weapons I freaking need. I'm gonna turn that boy into a freaking charred cold stone. Oh. Hold on, the game's like, do a spider puzzle, please. Oh, bro, I could break down this gate so freaking fast. My little freaking feet. Big freaking feet. Okay, hold on. Do the spider puzzle. What does that lead me to on the other side of the house? Yeah. This is what we need to do. Don't even think about it, bros.
Out!
Bro, stop! Stop! Now! Now! I'm sweating like a freaking banshee. Gosh, bro, Ethan, you're a strong dude. I could never do this, bro. Alright, we got rid of that bull crap. Alright, what do I need to do now? Spider puzzle? Okay, hold on. Let me just obliterate this nest in here. What's in here? What's in here? I'll take a herb. I'll take a herb. It's covered in maggots and stuff. Okay, come on. Okay. Bro. Okay, let's just do Mia Tech. Let's do the Mia Tech. Let's let her walk in this room, then we go right around her, do the little trick. Alright, yeah! Yeah, yeah!
Alright, you piece of shit! I've had about enough of you!
What? She's coming in here. She's coming in here. I took her hair. What? Hey, I took her hairline off like 2 inches by doing that, bro. And she's still alive? Say good morning, buddies.
Good morning.
Okay, okay, stop burning so I can go to the door. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Easy, easy, easy. Do the puzzle, do the puzzle. Bang. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Come on, bro. Just get out of here. Just get out of here with all the bugs and crap. Did the bugs, like, develop? Because Mia wasn't dealing with any of the bugs. Oh my gosh, there's, like, scorpions and centipedes in here, dude. I can't look, bro. Ugh! Ugh! I'm sweating. I actually feel the sweat dripping down me, bro. Alright, let's go. Good morning. Okay, can I create more of the flammel? Flammel? I'm out. Okay, alright, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Oh, wait, I am out. I was gonna be like, oh, it's Jesus watching over me today. Okay, 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 hold on. Alright, alright. Where do I go from here? Mia never went up here. What is up here? Oh, it says she's upstairs. Don't go up. Alright, I'm not going up. Let's see. Alright, come on, Ethan. Free goodies, free goodies. What's in here, bro? Psychostimulants? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Crank? What would I take a crank for? I don't remember seeing anything. I would need a crank. Alright, where was the save room? Oh, it was outside. It was outside. Hold on. I may need to go store some stuff. $1 trillion. $1 trillion. $1 trillion says I pick up that crank and use it to open up that door upstairs. Oh, okay. Gosh, bro, I'm an idiot. I'll walk by something and just not see it. What the frick? I don't know why you guys watch me, bro. Oh, shoot. What are these little guys? 1 ammo? Alright, that's fine. I know a million of you guys in the comments are like, oh, Max, stop wasting ammo. Bro, I'm terrified, bro. I gotta do it, bro. Dodge all you want, little boy. Your demise is coming soon. Let's go. Put that on there. Put that on there. Yes. All right. Now okay. Now I don't need to go through the frickin' centipede passage. Okay. Do I do it? Do I do it? Yeah. What does this say? What does this say? Zoe, you tried to sneak up to the 2nd floor again, didn't you? Did you think I wouldn't notice? That's all I need to read, bro. Even after what happened to Evelyn, you just keep talking about some strange medicine. And what are you planning to do with my altar? You better keep those sticky fingers off of it. Nobody touches my sacred altar. You think your father and I are idiots, you spoiled, pathetic child? I wish you were never. I wish you were never. I wish you'd never be born. Being born. Secret code. I already know. V-U-G-I-V. Wait. No. N-V. You give. Down. Every weave you.
Home every weave you pathetic.
Let me try backwards. Home L. It's raps, bro. Oh, I still gotta find that gosh darn key. All right, what more is there to do now? Kill everybody in the house? Yeah. All right, let me look around and see if I'm missing anything.
Good!
Is she like inventing new bugs? Yo, what is going on out here? One bro walking. I kind of feel bad. This lady's living horribly. You wake up, you just got bugs on your wall. Say good morning for me, little fella.
Good morning.
I need to get over there. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, yeah. Let's go over there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my gosh, I almost freaking died right there. Okay, hold on. Let me go back and get the freaking wheel crank. Okay. Hold on. That's fine. Wait a minute. Where'd the crank go? What? That's weird. That's weird. Nothing ever happened. This is the first time I've ever been here. Grandma's gonna be like, what was that noise outside? And then I just take that sucker back. I didn't even notice that the first time. Okay. Genius. Yes! Finally found this gosh darn thing, bro. Burner fuel. Okay, but I don't have enough space. Oh, let's go. Right. Oh my gosh, bro! Hey. What the frick is this? Oh crap. What did I just fall into?
All right, you little f***er. Let's get down to business. You think you could waltz in here and have your way with my family?
Oh my gosh, she just sending the whole brigade of bugs after me. This is raps. This is raps.
Around in places you ain't supposed to. Lord only knows what you and Zoe have been up to. You're gonna die in this hole, and you're gonna like it.
Game over, guys. Dang, okay, wait. You could take a lot of bug bites before you die. Hold on, you could take a lot of bug bites before— oh, wait, tip. Being trapped in the pit is like being in a giant insect nest. What? That's crazy. I would have thought it was like not like that, like something completely different. Bro, Let's go. Easy. What did she get buried in? A bunch of bullcrap. Eat it. Let's go. Alright, back to what I was gonna do. Check out the frickin' key with the door. Let's go, bruv. What's in here, man? This is the altar? I was expecting something way crazier, bro. This looks like bullcrap. Ooh, we got more of the house, though. What do I got? Okay, nothing. Chill.
What the?
Target acquired. Uh-oh. Ethan, move. Oh. The following items be able synthesize serum. D-series, carnival nerve, peripheral nerve.
I think that's it.
How is he so chill? There's like a baby alien. Bro, that might be a human. Dude, ew. Okay. Oh crap, it's Big Z. Z. Hello?
Well, did you find a serum?
I just got done dealing with your mom and her bugs.
How does she know about the serum?
Warned me.
Sorry about that. What about the serum?
Zoe doesn't care about me at all.
Any, but I did find out we need to make one.
Mm-hmm.
A D-series head and an arm. This can't be right.
A head? I think I have that around here somewhere.
The frick are they talking about?
I don't know about the arm, though. Have you searched the whole house?
No,
virtually?
not yet.
Oh.
I still need to check the second floor here.
All right. Check it out. Meet me at the trail if you find it.
Wait, like Zoe's like here, like physically? Oh, Zoe! Okay, wait, hold on. Let me hear real quick. Oh! I got some witchcraft going on here, bro. It's crazy. Ooh, 120? Ooh, that's a good number. Okay, October 11th. My ears have been ringing all day and I haven't been able to sleep since the child showed up. It's like Zoe says, there's something strange about the child, the woman she brought with her. I'm seeing things, hearing things, can't stop feeling nauseous. I went to see the doctor in town to give me an x-ray. What's happening to me? Child gave me a present. October, I put the present in the secret room right at the back of the second floor where nobody would find it. The arm is a sign of the child's trust. The arm will lead us to happiness. Anyone who corrupts that happiness, I won't allow them to live. Alright, I just, like, chalk it all down. They just told me where the arm is. Easy, bruv. Not my luck, watch Jack Baker show up. Crap, they got bugs in here. Oh, it's just tiny little lantern. Okay, I'm chill with that. Okay, the secret bedroom. Ah, I gotta put a lantern on there and bounce it out. Okay, equilibrium. Why don't I use my finger and just push it down? Okay, now I gotta go back through and search for a lantern, I guess. Okay, wait, no, I got rid of the mom, though. There should be like... Oh, she took the lantern. I didn't even notice that. Alright, let's go. Bro, are you serious? Bro, there's like a whole passageway down there. Frick, man! Okay. Alright, place your bets now. Can he do it with 260 in the F-thrower? Ooh, burp for good luck. Shotgun 2 shells, and 10 little buddies in my little pistol. Oh! Bro, did she...
What the fuck? Well, that's special.
How is that your reaction, bro? I would be sitting on this rock like this for at least 3 minutes. Bro, she turned into the scorpion, bruv. This is horrible. Bro, this is gonna be like that one game I played. What's that game called? Lockjaw Buddies? Where it was like the spider in the caves? Bro, what am I doing with my knife out? Am I stupid? Yeah. Let's get the flames. Let's get the flames like James. In a less situation? Oh, she's outside. Okay, thanks. I'm not in a cave. I'll take that any day. Alright. Now, I know how these games go, bro. She's gonna, like, grab me or something, bro. As I'm climbing. Did I get lucky today? God bless. Where did she go? Is Zoe here yet? Zoe, I need help with something. Zoe, it's like 5 minutes. It'll take 5 minutes. She's like definitely in this house just waiting for me, bro. Like she probably hasn't eaten in like 4 years. Oh crap, man. Then I gotta go back and then put the lantern on the thing and then do the bull crap. Alright, let's just do it. It's locked from the other side. Alright, cool. I like it when they give me just one entrance. Ma'am. Ma'am, I just want to let you know, the only thing I need from you is your light source. Nothing else. Nothing else. Just your light source. Please tell me there's a place to save the game. Whoa, what is this? Separating agent. The heck is that? What the frick is the separating agent? Can be combined with some items to separate chem fluid. Chem fluid? What? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, wait, hold on. Alright, I'm gonna need to reorganize my... Keep that door open right now. I'm gonna need to reorganize my inventory real quick. Oh, I'm just not ready for this at all, bro. Wait, for 3 antique coins, increase max health indefinitely? I'm buying that sucker right now. Indefinitely. Let's do that, man. Come on. There we go. Oh, that's good. See that? Alright. Oh my gosh, I didn't even notice that. Bro, she's down there moaning and groaning. Analyze situation before you go in. I can't get back up if I go down there. Are you guys ready? No? Me neither. very careful. Everyone be very quiet. The gate is blocking the way. Okay. Be very quiet. She could be anywhere. Let's go upstairs.
Don't you worry none!
Alright. Bro, she's got long limbs and crap now, bro. I don't like that at all.
Don't look up! Let's see you scamper your way out of this!
I don't have any extra ammo, bro. I don't have any extra ammo. Let's go. Oh!
Don't be like that, Ethan. Show yourself!
Bro, why did she pop? Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Okay, wait. Hold on. Where's she at? Let's go, I can do this, come on. Let's get lighted, let's light it up. Let's light it up. I'm 400. Frick out of here, little buddy. Sorry, alright, he heard me. Oh.
Oh, now! You're not afraid of a girl, are ya?
You're a little bit more than that, just a tad.
Don't
Just a
be
tad.
scared. Stay! And
Let's go. Big man ting, man, come on! Yeah, go upstairs, like a little coward. Where's she at? Come on. I gotta attack her right in her area. That's where her weak spot is, Bro, oh my gosh, dude, this little bug guy keeps... Get the frick out of here, lad, bro. Ew! What the frick did she just do? Did she just jump? Did she just jump like a spider? No. How did she squeeze through there, bro? Shotgun ammo. First time in a minute. Let's go. Come on. Where are you, Granny? I'm doing a lot of damage, though. I'm doing so much freaking damage. Burn a fuel. Let's go. Level up. Reload!
I'm not gonna miss you at all!
You're gonna be dead here in like count down from 30, you'll be dead.
Come on now with me! We're gonna settle this!
Yo! Okay.
stay dead, okay?
Yes! gosh, that whole fight. Oh my gosh, that whole fight. You guys should see my posture, bro. I was like fighting like in a weird posture, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy moly, dude. Get the frick out, lad. Come on. All right, gate is blocking the way. Oh, yes, burn all that stuff. Goodness me, man. Goodness me. Alright, thanks for the little refill. See, I like Resident Evil. They'll make you use our stuff and then give you a little refill. Hashtag, I'm out. Hashtag, let's put that sucker on the thing, man. Alright, now I've killed the dad. I've killed the mom. Or wait, did I kill the dad? I did kill the dad. Now it's time to turn that little frickin' failure they call a son to a piece of cheesecake. Alright, let's go down the ladder. Oh, crap, I need to heal. Hold on. I like get used to the red borders around my skin. I forget I can heal. My skin? Are we good now? Okay. Whoa. It's like a kid's room. I know they're talking about that little girl, Evangeline? What's her name? What the frick, bro? Uh-oh. Let me situate myself. Bro, let me guess. Evangeline is like this big monster. What is that? Is that like a shark eating people? I don't know. Oh no. Oh no. Hey. Bro, this game's building the tension like crazy, bro. I'm scared as frick right now. Something's wrong with her. I would've never guessed, bro. Okay. Bro. This is not funny at all, dude.
Stay away.
What? Stay away? I have nowhere else to go. I mean, I would. Okay, wait. Alright, maybe if I sneak, she won't hear me. Maybe she won't get mad. I'm not here to hurt you. I'm not here to hurt you. Have you seen my girlfriend? What the frick? Least obvious secret door. Yeah, I figured. Thanks, bruh. Yo. Who was talking? Oh my gosh. This is crazy, bro. D-series? She's not like a robot. That's like a dead... Ew, dude. And on my way back, it's gonna be like the monster...
Oh, God. I guess this is it.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Big E? Yeah, run away. What the frick? What the frick? Uh-oh. Okay, I mean, that was a good little scare, but like, that surely can't be her. What now, bro? What now, bro? Headshots all frickin' day. Headshots all frickin' day. Let's go. Come on, man. Come on. Let's just go. I don't want to deal with any more of these frickin' guys. I don't want to deal with any more of these guys. Alright, meet Zoe. Meet Zoe. Oh, that guy probably feels left out. I'm sorry, bro. I'm out, bro. Okay. Alright, Zoe, I got the stuff. Zoe, I got the crap. Zoe?
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it. Are we really gonna be able to make serum with this thing?
We better
It'll
be, bro.
fine. After we make it, we can get out of here. Together.
And I'm gonna do that
I'll be
with
waiting for you
my
in the trailer.
wife.
Alright.
Talking to me like it's a couple. Zoe, chill out, okay? I got Mia. Alright. See, the game's too frickin' calm, bro. The game's too calm. Something's gone wrong. Alright, we get to meet Zoe now. See, when the game, see, they did this they did this with Ollie in Poppy Playtime, where it's like, it's this character on the phone the whole game, and then suddenly, oh, you gotta meet him, and then it's this enemy, bro. This trope's not new to me. I've played these games before, literally. Down to a T, brev. Alright, let's see. Zoe? You in here, Z? She did not mean me on the phone.
Now where the hell are you? You know, never mind. We only need the head, and you've got it. This is gonna help me and me, right?
Hey, buddy. I thought you should know. I decided that Zoe needed a timeout. She and Mia are here with me. And they're keeping each other company.
Just let them both go! What do you need them for?
Nuh-uh, that's family business, Ethan, and not your concern, understand? Now, if you want the head, feel free to come by any time and I'll give it to you. But only if you participate in a little, activity I put together.
What does he mean,
Just
bro?
for you.
What activity?
Oh, I know you're excited, but don't worry. It's not going anywhere. First step I need you to take, partner, is for you to take a peek inside the fridge in the trailer there.
It's gonna be.
You!
It's gonna be like somebody's
Come on
foot.
Now, don't be like that. You want to have some fun, don't you? Now, look in the fridge.
What are you putting there, bro? What if it's actually like something nice, like some burger, like a burger? Oh. What the frick is this? Who's... The pig is waiting for you in the dissection room. B word. The pig? Is that the police officer? Bro. The pig? Is that where, is that where he wants me to meet him? Wait, this is like glowing now. Wait, is this a nightclub? Wait, let me in! Wow, I want to go in there. How do I get in there? Welcome to paradise. Okay. While I was in the trailer, somebody turned on all the frickin' lights. Okay, I got the, yeah, hold on. I need to get that key because, oh wait, that's just for the crow thing. That's not the scorpion key. Hold on. Yeah, let me get this at least, just in case. Alright, the dissection room. Alright, that's probably where he's gonna be. Gosh, brings back memories from a couple videos ago. Alright, and I killed all the transformed little gerbs, bro. Don't bring any more out. I don't want to do that right now. He turned off all the power. Grandma. What the frick are you doing down here, Grandma? Remember what I said about the stairs? Oh no. Bro. Cheap jump scare, man. What's new here now? Gunpowder. Can I create shotgun shells? I need those very bad. Wait, I just heard the door. Somebody just came in here. Yeah, I don't have that key. Wait, am I supposed to go in here? Oh. Oh my gosh, it was the head of the cop. Gosh, man. This poor guy. There's a sickening stench. He started rotting already. Alright, thanks for frickin' telling me that, bro. Prove you're a real man. Stick your hand down.
Ah, no.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Okay, lad. Definitely gonna cut this out the video.
Sorry, buddy.
I finally get this key now. This guy's a troll, bro.
That pretty little thing will help you find the 2 key cards you're gonna need to join the party we're having over here. You gotta earn your way, Ethan.
This kid's lucky if he sees another hour. This kid's lucky if... Of course they do this, bro. Alright, first there's this door. First there's this door over here. Hold on, let's see what's up with this. There's 2 more doors with this, I think? Wait, maybe 1. I could swear I saw another one. No, yeah, there is 2. There is 2. It's the one right before the billiards room and then the one at the top of the one at the top of the stairs. Oh, it's that door. All right, let's go do the one at the... Let's do the one at the top of the stairs. Do the one at the top of the stairs. Okay, I just got loaded up with some What is he even doing here, bro? Trying to get to this door all gosh darn day. Open up, little buddy. Let me guess, I gotta do like a million things. What are... Who keeps moving this person, bro? You can't even get in here. Oh, shotgun shells below your feet, though. Sneak those out. Ooh. Not doing that crap, bro. The same time as all other clocks. Oh, okay, sweet. Beautiful day. Beautiful day. It looks like a pan. Pan? Bro, this is like... Requiem Sun. Requiem Beta. Alpha. Wait, where's it at? Where's it at? Oh my gosh, it's in that room. That's one of the doors. I think I'm gonna make my way over there. Granny, count to 50. I'll be back. Perfect. Oh. Grenade launcher! The items at the top row of your inventory can be 1, 2, 3. Oh, I gotta swap that sucker out with something. And then I can create more flame rounds with that. Okay. I need to figure out- maybe I just gotta put another weapon away, but, wow, okay. Alright, you know, yeah, just keep loading me up. No, keep doing it, keep doing it. Maximum health. Oh. Increased. There we go. Okay, you're supposed to click and drag it. Okay. Why, hello. Why, hello. This thing's gonna be hashtag freaking crazy. You know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna create just a few more rounds for this little guy. Who was walking around? I keep hearing noises of people like doors and stuff. Alright, let's go to the billiards room door. For a second, gosh, bro, I thought that was gonna be like a little baby requiem. Oh. Bring me... What happened? Bring me back to when that room was a thing, bro. Like, the whole house is like turning. Uh-oh. We better make this quick, bro. Wow. Alrighty. What's in here, man? Attic? Okay. April TH. That's not a day, bro. Oliver stopped yelling, but sometimes I hear knocking from above. Is that who I'm hearing? Who's Oliver? It really stinks, and some weird juice is dripping from the ceiling. Okay. Anyway, since I had time, I changed the remote control trophy again. Now it'll be shiny even at night. April TH. Mommy took me to the hospital in town. They took a photo of my head with a weird machine. Then mommy bought me a 259-piece puzzle from the toy store. Bro, give me some, like, burger. Give me, like, a burger and fries, bro. Puzzle? It's just making my head hurt more, bro. Come on. Oliver keeps teasing me. You're a crazy head. I lied to Oliver. I told him to come over for my birthday party, then shut him in the attic. Ooh, let me out, Lucas. Who the frick is Oliver? What? Yeah, that is the other kid's name. For a second, I thought they were talking about that kid as a kid, but now he's grown up. I changed the remote control so stupid Zoe can't go in the attic. I melded it down with one of my inventor contest trophies. She'll never find it. Oh. Is that Oliver? Yikes, bro. Okay, wait. Hold on. I need to do the clock puzzle first. Let me do the clock puzzle before I go up there. Alright, was that 350? Maybe 345, 350, one of the two. Oh shoot, I didn't even know that. No, it's a... Ding! Wait. It's like right in between that. Hey! Okay, well, alright. I guess I can't do the incremental thing. That sucks. Alright, maybe, alright, let's go say hi to Oliver. Let's see what Oliver's doing. Oliver. Hey, little buddy, I'm not here to hurt you. Do you know how to kill your brother? Wait. Renovation contract, customer Jack Baker. Installation of shadow activated doorway in main hall. Jack put that in there. Model shotgun. Why am I collecting that? I don't need that, do I? Happy birthday. Hold on. Hold on. Let me go put those items back. I kind of want to see, what this tape is about before I go up through here. Let's put it in there.
You, my friend. You are one lucky summer. You know, I actually envy you. What? You don't believe me? This toy? Well, you can't fake this.
Look at his eyes!
It has taken me weeks to finish this, and it is finally ready. And it's all for you. Oh, come on now. Don't be like that.
Dude, this dude
It's
is...
gonna be fun.
You could beat the crap out of this guy, bro. Look at him. He may be crazy. You could beat the crap out of this guy. Alright, well, I guess I'm just locked in. Oh! What the frick am I doing in here? Where am I? Bro. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
I'd really like to make it out of this room alive and not die a horrible, painful death. I know. It's a temp title. Take a candle, light it, and put it on the cake. And remember to smile. This party is for you.
He's got gas leaking in here.
You.
Oh my gosh. This is horrible. He's got gas leaking in here. It's like the whole room's gonna blow up. This dude is crazy. No, don't. Turn that off. Okay, wait, okay, hold on. Can I turn it off? Turn it off. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Oh my gosh, this is horrible. Yeah, burn the rope, burn the rope. What the frick, man? Oh my gosh. Wait a minute, wouldn't the password- hold on, I'm gonna guess it. Can I put it in? No, my password was gonna be Oliver. Oliver, that would fit that 5-letter thing. I don't know, maybe I'm too ahead of myself. Yeah, and then it shuts off all the thing. What do I do? Oh, this is so bad. Here, what? I can't get in there. That's how I turn off the gas. Bro. I literally can't do anything. Winding key. What the frick is this for, man?
Disgusting. Ugh. Ugh.
What is this?
Ugh.
Oh. Dirty telescope. Ew, what? Bro. Can I wash it? Maybe I gotta pop the balloons. Hold on. Oh. Here we go. Hold on. What can I do with the balloon? Put it on the gas nozzle? Uh-oh. Oh! Bro, disgusting. Bro, why didn't I stand back? This guy's just an idiot. Quill pen. Quill pen? For what? Alright, y'all, this is a couple days later. I just made my progress all the way back. I'm thinking, hold on. Right, check this out. Right. I put the pen in there, right? Bro, what? Alright, hold on. I might need to get a little bit more creative. I don't know what I'm doing. There we go, there we go. Yeah, wash off the telescope. Then... I don't freaking know. Am I supposed to, what am I supposed to be looking for, bro? Like, make sure you see it better? Oh! Okay, person suspended with a rope. Bell, baby. Okay. Bell, and then baby. Bang. Oh, boom shakalaka. Ooh. You, straw doll. Why are you just thinking straw doll? Hard to the touch. Okay, I can light it. Hold on. I can light it. Now it's gonna blow up, so like throw it across the room, bro. Oh, oh! Oh, it's a finger. Dummy finger. Put it on him. He's gonna be like, thank you, bro. Yup. Then I gotta put something on him so that he can write? What? Okay.
What the f is this? What are you doing? Oh, man. No!
Oh! Oh! Loser. Now, there's an immediate problem. I recognize this. So, there's oil all over the floor in here. So when fire... Hey, bro. We're gonna see, bro. Password is loser. Yeah. Lappy. Loppy. Lospy. Loosey. Loser. Bang. Valve handle, I could turn off the water, and light it up. Oh my gosh, I thought it was to stop the gas. Why, I could just stay in here for hours and stop the stinking gas. Turn it. Bang. Alright, now, what are the chances that this guy lives? Probably 0. Let's see. How do you know when to turn the lights off?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Why is he scared? Why am I scared?
Happy birthday.
Move. There's a bomb. It's a bomb. This guy's an idiot. Dude.
Oh. Ooh. Happy birthday!
This guy doesn't even know my birthday, bro. Gosh, bro, I'm gonna turn him into a stick of butter. You guys just wait, bro. I'm gonna turn that kid into a stick of butter. Alright, finally, I'm back playing as this guy. Gosh, that puzzle is so gosh darn hard, bro. Resident Evil, try to make the puzzle somewhat understandable at all challenge. Impossible. What was I even doing? Oh, okay, yeah, I was doing something with Oliver. I was gonna do something with Oliver. I can't even remember. Okay, yeah, I need to, I need to do a puzzle up here. Okay. Alright. You already know what you're about to see is unedited footage. Wow, man, it's a little dangerous the way I'm good at these games. What did that give me? Key card. Oh, okay. Alright, I need this. And then I gotta do that last one with the grandma clock. The only problem being, I wasn't able to get the increment to get to the 45 or the 55 or whatever it was. Alright, but we can try it, though. The frick is moving outside? This is impossible, bro! Useless frickin' game, bro. It was, the small hand and the short hand, they got confused. Bro, I'm gonna punch myself in the area, bro. I'm gonna punch myself in the neck, bro. You can't... They look the exact same length! This game is ticking me off more than this game should tick me off. I'm gonna level this whole house. I don't care anymore. Did you hear that? Alright, let's just go down. God darn this game! Let's end this game right now. Does Grandma have a close the frickin' bed button? I'm gonna turn her into a pile of ashes, bro. I'm sorry. I take it back. goodness. Where am I even going now? All right, I got one of the key cards. That's good. Let's go. I'm just going to the center of the earth. Ew!
Oh my god.
It's disgusting. Nothing in there. Here we... What are the odds that I don't have enough space? Frick it, bro. I'm discarding something. This stupid wooden axe. Oh, but you may need it. You may need it. I'm gonna just punch myself in the frickin' balls. I got maxed down inventory slots. Why am I carrying this stinking weapon? I don't even want it. Man, our wooden bullcrap. Let's just take the gosh darn key. Okay, where is he playing the games, bro? You unlocked it. Where am I now? Is this where he's playing? Oh, I've been down here, no? Wait, have I? Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, that's the freaking basement. Who's down here? Okay, I have 2 key cards. Maybe I just need to make it back upstairs. Maybe he'll give me a little ring on the phone. Alright, I'm upstairs now. I got the 2 key cards. Oh, I know where to put those. Alright, yeah, I know where to put these key cards. Now you put them outside where that little rave thing was going on. Okay. Hello? Is this Lucas, or is this...
Hey, buddy. Remember, those 2 key cards will get you into the party. Don't be late now.
Let me talk to Mia.
No! You gotta show up first.
This kid ticks me off.
Haven't forgotten where the party is, have you? You can get in from the courtyard. So come on, man. Everybody's waiting for you.
There's gotta be like a back entrance, bro. There's nothing more that I want. Like, this is, what is his freaking name? I forgot his name. It's so stupid. I run up to him, put the shotgun right in his freaking butt cheeks, bro. Pew! Turn him into dust, bro. Wouldn't even get a chance. Oh, I forgot I have the freaking launcher. Bro, stop! I just want to beat the games! $100 to this guy doesn't even pay taxes, bro. Oh. Alright, 2 key cards in here, let's have... Ew! Oh my gosh, what the fuck? I thought I killed him! My gosh, bro, I thought I killed him! That scared the crap out of me. Alright, let's have a party. Let's have a party. How is this guy so technical? Have y'all thought about this? Dude's building like custom IT security traps. Where's he getting all this stuff? Let's play. Let's do it, big boy. I got freaking 7 shots with your name on it. Okay, the music just sucks. I was trying to get into it for a second. What do we have? Back up, bro, right now. Dude, back up. Back up, bro! Ew! Ethan. Gets like 1 hour of sleep every day.
Hold on. I got something for you. Looky what I've got.
Oh, the head.
You know what this is for? You know what Zoe wants to do with this?
Cure you, bro.
She thinks this thing is special. No, Ethan. That ain't special. This right here is special.
Dude just showing off.
You see, Ethan? Not everybody wants to turn back the clock. What? What, Evelyn? I'm just trying to show him. Not everybody wants to go back to how things were. Those are stupid. She doesn't understand that I don't want to go back to how things were before my father found y'all. Now everybody wants to turn back the clock. So Ethan, you can crawl around underneath that filthy, rotten house all you want looking for them ingredients, but you ain't gonna find a thing, Ethan.
Watch your mouth, bro.
You'll make that serum?
Yes.
Ooh, baby. You're gonna have to come through me. You hear?
Simple. I'll do it.
Now, come on, Ethan. What do you say?
Let's play. Come to the playground, little boy. Did that just put me on red HP? Put me on yellow. Who's this guy think he is, bro? Dude's shaped like a jelly bean. Yeah, get back in the green, bro. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix him. I'm gonna be like, hey, Lucas, man, we're gonna get you all right, and it's gonna be okay. Ready? Like, he gets fixed. Oh my gosh, full SWAT team arrest him, put him in jail for 3 trillion life sentences. What an amazing outcome this will be. Is this where he did the happy birthday? Oh my gosh, replenished as if I never used it. Do you think I'm a baby? Hashtag can't get me, bro. Silly mans. Oh, and I just got how many shotgun shells was that? Oh, what a fun time I'm having today. Gosh, bro. Just think I'm an idiot. What? Part 2? Oh my gosh. Y'all know that one video where it's like top 10 times Iron Man learned from his mistakes? Has nothing to do with what I'm doing. He's just setting up little booby traps. He thinks he's Jigsaw. Bro saw one Saw movie, thinks he's him, bro. You're not Jigsaw, bro. This is like a new rendition of the house, too. He's got vertical ones. Oh, wait, hold on. I may need to get a little techie here. Hold on. There we go. Does he have any more little traps, bro? Little more gifts? Thanks for giving me like shotgun shells and stuff. He's like, oh, I'm gonna blow you up, but here's a couple shells, just for the road. All right, bro. Bro, I'm gonna turn this guy into cookie dough. Bro. I'm getting excited just thinking about it. I might be a little psychopathic, bro. Dodge right there, right there. 2 of them. Okay, no, that actually would have gotten me, bro. What do I do? Do I just slice him? No. Can I shoot him out? Hold on. Shoot the bombs, right? Easy.
You have got a good eye.
My name is Ethan. My real name is Max. Oh, yeah. Hold on. I don't think I want to store any bullcrap right now. Bang. Yup, I remember that room. Let's get in there.
I know. Good passwords, right?
Hey!
Why don't you try 0814?
Let me get in there!
0621. No, it's 0514. Oh, come on. Take a chance, you never know.
Another game's me! 0 5 1 4.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
What is happening? What is that? Let me... Okay. That didn't register as a trap in my mind. I thought that was like some pipes coming down from the ceiling. I thought it was gonna gas me out. Okay, hey. Alright. Let me guess, not a single one of those codes works, huh? Chem fluid. Do you risk getting hurt or do you get the heals? Get the heals. Genius, bruv. Come on now. He's like a whole horse. This guy really thinks he's Jigsaw. Oh my gosh. I mean, if it kills the guy, it kills the guy. Okay, how much? Oh, they're seriously gonna make me fight a bunch of little guys in here? I think it's time we test this guy out. That's not too bad, bro. Hey, you're breaking the rules. That got rid of that guy's legs too. Interesting. This is just target practice, little boy. You think Lucas forgets some of his traps sometimes? He'll like wake up in the morning, trigger one off, and like blows his leg off. He's like, oh crap. Oh yes, a little save location. Let's go. What am I doing in here? Oh, I gotta find like a battery or something? Okay. Here it is. What's up, dude? Oh, slip the battery in there. Slip the battery in there. False battery, I frickin' guess. What does that want me to do now, bro?
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the bonfire!
Oh! Am I fighting him or am I fighting somebody else?
Gentlemen, we have rules.
What the
You
frick?
too.
What the frick is that?
It's how you deal with hardships in life that makes you a man, Ethan.
Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro. Hold on, bro.
That's kinda smart.
I'm just gonna light this dude up.
Gotta say, I'm impressed. Not only are you
Ew.
still alive, you have all your fingers and toes.
That was frickin' nothing, bro.
Fat man down, fat man down.
Correcto, bro.
He was never my favorite anyways.
Let's frickin' go. That was easy, man. When do I get to fight him? I just want to fight him. I'm like John Wick, bro. I just want to get it's revenge, bro. I just want revenge. Gosh, that's like paying paying to see like multiple rounds in a UFC fight and it's like a first round knockout. That was a sub 20-second knockout, man. Come on. Oh. Finally. Do I finally get to see the guy? When your boy chillin'? What does this say? You're next. Hey, rest in peace, bro. Oh, that was the guy in the happy birthday video. Ooh, stairs. What does this take me down to? Take me down to that happy birthday room? Maybe? Can I actually get in here this time? Yeah, I don't know. 1408. Okay, yeah, I figured the code would be somewhere else. 1408. Bang. Let's fight, bro. Let's fight. What is your name? Oscar? I forgot already.
No, buddy, this is a test of skills, so no cheating. That you're carrying, get rid of it.
What? Okay. No. Let's go. Vault that. Vault that. Vault that. Vault that. Let's go.
That you're carrying, get rid of it.
What other stuff? My heels too, little boy? Fine. Let's do the whole thing. I'll go in there as just as Ethan as ever. Nothing more, nothing less. Let's go.
Have a nice day.
I played these games before. I played these games before. First thing I'm gonna do, start the stove. Second thing I'm gonna do, flush the toilet. Watch that water come up, gross water, and pull this telescope out of there and wash it. Grab it, Ethan. Grab it. You saw the tape. It's dirty, covered in poo-poo. Let's go put it on the water, get this moo-moo. Equip it. Walk through the water. Suddenly I can see the code. What is that? Same code as last time? Oh, suspension. Bell. Baby. Uh-oh, he remade the same doll. Light her on fire. Let's get lit. Oh, what is that gonna reveal? What's that? A dummy finger. I wonder where this will go. What a convenience. Put it on there. Wait, what is that? I need a pen? Oh, wait, what is that? I'm gonna do it on his Ethan face before I frickin' see him? Wait, again? Wait, 3 times? Let's light it up. Did he fill the room with balloons just for me? Yes, he did. Beyond there's no young challenge for young Ethan. Because I can find the balloon just like that. Now, Ethan, stand back. We know the drill. Ethan is stupid. Humorous. I know exactly where this goes. Right here. Wait a minute. Ethan, something is hilarious. We remember the code. Loser. We don't need to put our life in danger. How hilarious. Ready that Lucas watching this right now? Valve handle. Great. Turn it off. Welcome to my world. Put the candle on the cake. Now, Ethan, back up. Back up, Ethan, come on. Alright, but there's no oil on the floor. We're good.
Mother! You're supposed to die!
Uh-oh. What am I doing? Put it back there, put it back there. Put it back there. Easy. Outplayed, bro. Playing checkers, I'm playing frickin' chess. Let her rip.
That was supposed to be for you, God it!
Aw, little boy didn't get his little snack. Did you miss lunch? Did you miss lunch? Did you miss your 4 p.m. nap? Little frickin' boy. Hashtag I played these games before. Alright, now what? I can't go through there. How do I get out? Oh, sweet! Free at last! Where are you, little buddy? I'm trotting confident as a bullfrog. I'm gonna plow right through you just like a bullhog. I'm gonna find me a Gumball and Darwin just like a wog. Oh my gosh, I could stop, I could stop. Actually, wait, let me get on my crap back. Okay, it's not burning over here anymore. Can I go through here? Yeah, I can. This is a little mastermind zone. Safe, 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 safe. His chair's turning, which means he was just in here. He fled. Testing area. Oh! There's Mia and there's Zoe.
Mia? Mia! Mia!
She's alive.
Who are you? Where are you?
We're just beyond the pier, outside that room. Hurry!
Okay.
Well now, Ethan.
The fuck do you want?
You? Dead?
Not gonna happen.
Guess that's not the
Impossible.
cards.
Impossible.
Not yet.
Lucky me.
He's so scared. Look at the look in his eyes.
Unless you have any more surprises up your sleeve, I suggest you...
Now that would be telling, Ethan. And I don't do spoilers.
Okay, okay. We got what we need, though. We got the head. It's kind of freaking gross, man. We got the head. We can make the serum. Okay, wait. Alright. I got pretty much everything I can get. Should I take the burner over the grenade launcher? I don't have any more grenades. Yeah, I might as well. I don't have any. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, bro. Big man stuff. Big man ting, man. Put the crank on there. 1 second. Wind it up. Wake it up like it's the morning. Wake it up like it's the morning. Take it back. Good job, Ethan. Don't fall. We are, bro. Wow, when we're like in a swamp. How ridiculous. No more of those bugs, please. Actually, like, I could do everything but the bugs. Literally, like, they could throw like a 20-foot monster in front of me. I'll somehow defeat them. Who organized these little passageways? These like built like crap. What we got in here? Oh my gosh, wait, more stuff. I can build more burner fluid. Handgun ammo. Shotgun shells. My finger slipped. Oh, this is where the big boys come out to play. More shotgun shells. Put that lever on there. It kills me like Lucas is like making his own little like obstacle courses. I didn't see that. Did something happen, you guys? I didn't see that. It's hot. Forget my act. Oh, that's weird. My hand's like burning. I'm just like on fire. That's weird. Like there's a glitch happening. I don't know what's happening. Oh my gosh! It's ridiculous! Now, that's 3 flame rounds. might have to watch it. Load it up and let it rip. It's a dangerous loadout, bro. 24 shotgun shells, 3 big G's. What else do I have? And I've got like 1 million ammo. Let's just freaking set this. Let's just set the stage. Let's set the stage. It's gonna be over soon. Let's go. Mia, Zoe.
Mia.
I'm here. So I'll get you in a second, Zoe. You okay? Come on. All right, get Zoe. First time meeting Zoe. Me at 1 HP, bro. Check behind me. Okay. I got you, Zoe.
Zoe?
Not now. We don't have the time. Do you have both ingredients?
Got it.
Right here. There should be enough, right?
It would make them fast enough. My father and Lucas aren't far away.
He's coming.
Baker, Jack.
Daddy's coming.
Good. There's enough for 2.
What is she making it right here? Okay. Pull out the shotgun, pull out the big stuff. Gosh, man, Mia needs like water, she needs like a burger.
What's next?
There's a boat outside. We'll take it through the swamp.
Come on, bro.
But none of us will get very far without the serum.
Uh-huh. I'm not moving, bro. Oh. Wait, no, give one to Mia. Give one to Mia.
One of those is mine.
Get your back to the house. I will deal with you later.
Oh my gosh. All right, hold on. Ready? Hold on.
Good enough. Tell you, warriors catch me with my own blood.
This is getting old, Jack.
Okay, wait, he's gonna pop back up, right? Yeah, pop in the eye, pop him in the eye. Okay, oh, that's weird, that's weird. Move. Oh, he's getting like, oh! Oh, that's not good at all.
I want to kill you! Mia!
What is he? Come on, bro. Come on. Sounds like you're like that's exactly what he's going through right now. Oh my gosh, bro. What a little weakling, bro. Sit back down, bro. Hey, where'd they go? They vanished. Ew! That's disgusting. Missed. Holy crap. Aim on 0%. Bang, bang, come on. I'm getting that eye, bro. I'm getting that eye. There we go. Come on. He's feeling it, bro. Well, I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing down here, but I'm down here. There's an eye under him. Oh my gosh, there's an eye under him. Bro, I didn't see that. I just spent like 20 minutes fighting him. I killed all of his little eyes. I just didn't see he has like a tiny eye underneath. Gosh, that's so frustrating. All right, let's end it. Let's end it. Tell me that's it, bro. Tell me that's it. Frickin' finally, man. Oh my gosh. What?
You're part of the family now.
Come on, bro. Come on. Kill him now.
Now,
finally, holy crap! It's ticking me off, bro. Alright,
Ethan, this way.
Bro, oh my gosh, I've killed you like 40 times!
Use the serum on him.
Okay.
you want me to cure him?
And then he just goes back into a normal guy?
Are you alright?
And he's like cracks away like Medusa? Like what?
Yeah.
Come on. Mia's waiting for us.
Alright. So wait a minute. After you fully it won't let me look behind. Alright. After you fully transformed, you just get turned into cardboard? If you use the serum, so what if Mia turns to cardboard, bro? Can't use it on myself, bro. I was gonna do it, bro. Alright, y'all. How are you feeling, you guys?
I had to
Did you guys see that boss fight?
There's only one left.
There's only one left. There can't just be one left.
She made two, bro.
What are you gonna do now?
What? What? Ooh. Ew. Alrighty. Everybody listen up. Now, Zoe was helping me out a little bit, but Zoe, you're not my wife. You're not my wife. I'm sure I don't even know if you're infected. You were helping me out. Yeah. Bro, I'm gonna give it to my wife. Zoe, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Zoe. You gotta, Zoe, that's...
It's fine. It was foolish thinking I could escape.
I'm sorry.
Zoe,
Go! Both of you just go!
Let's just go, Mia. Let's go.
come with us. I'm sure there's someone who can help.
This is my home.
Leon Kennedy,
Apparently I
Ada
belong
Wong.
here.
I'm sorry, Zoe.
I'll send help.
Don't bother. There won't be anyone left to help!
Babe, what do you want for dinner tomorrow? Ooh. Okay. Is that that was the right decision? Back in it, man. Back in it. After all that fighting, back in it, man. Mia, how are we feeling? Ooh. Okay, she's not feeling good at all. She's probably hungry. She's got some brain
Ethan?
hurt.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Who the hell else was I gonna choose?
Ethan.
Mia, I know you've been through a lot.
It's like 3 years
We
she
need
was
to
gone.
talk.
Yes. Answers.
You had
now.
something to do with all this, didn't you?
We're on like a
I just want to know the truth.
sugar daddy.
Ethan, I
Sorry.
honestly don't remember.
Try.
How did she find about Jack Baker stuff? Did they like kidnap her? Like what happened, man? I need answers.
Did that get here?
Is that the ocean? We're by the ocean?
Oh! You're okay. What the is that?
I don't know. Hello?
What the? What is that?
Is
Mommy. This way.
hello? What? Huh? I'm playing as Mia. What the frick happened? Goodbye, Ethan. Guess we're not playing as you anymore, bro. You better start running.
Ethan?
Ethan! Wait, what the actual- wait, what happened? We- Mommy? Okay. Alright. Oh! Ethan, Ethan.
Ethan?
Ethan.
Ethan! Ethan!
So you mean to tell me that I just escaped, got Mia the hashtag stinking cure, and now I'm a memory? I'm a memory in Louisiana. Hey man, Ethan the legend, hashtag Ethan for life, bro. It's Mia's journey now. Maybe her and Alicia or Grace Ashcroft will make good friends. Let's go change the world, Mia. Why did I get on this boat? Did I just do this because I'm bored? Hey, this may be the only way we can go. Gosh. Hands haven't touched this boat probably since the year 2001. This is disgusting, bro. This is the infected boat. Mia, why are we in here? What the frick was that? What do I remember? Strange bottle you found in your pocket, waking up. It's probably important.
What was that?
What is that? Well, it looks like, something flammable. I don't want to drink it. Are they communicating with me telepathically? Is, the little girl, she said, Mommy, this way. What does that mean, bro? Well, surely I can't go up the stairs now. Oh. Hey, you guys are doing good in there, you guys. We're ascending. That'd probably be good to put on me just in case this whole place collapses.
They're dead. They're all dead. The engine room. What the f are you talking about? She killed them all. What's going on?
She.
We need some weapons. Is there any weapons on this ship?
Are there any weapons?
Let's go this way. Maybe we can get out of here.
Shoot, bro. Easy, brav. Which way am I going? This way. She killed them all. Trust. I think, is that Mommy this way? Is that Evangeline talking? Maybe Evangeline. Oh. Evangeline's still on the strip going beast mode. Uh-oh. Mia, stay very quiet. Wait, where'd I get the flashlight from? Mia's all queued up. Silent as a mouse. Oh, we're back outside now. Nice. Okay, we can't go down there.
Settle down, little girl. Settle down.
Yup.
Are you remembering?
Yeah.
What? What are you?
Was that a joke or something? Why did she start laughing, bro? What are you? It's like that's her sense of humor, bro? Stupid sense of humor, bro. Just been scrolling too many Instagram reels, bro. And she was just like making a hologram for me to see. What? It's kind of a cool ghost. Crap. Gosh, man, this stinky water. This whole game is just gross, man. This whole game is just not a single.
Said we could be a family.
Me? Me?
What are you talking about?
That's what I'm saying.
Said.
Wait!
Let's talk. Let's talk. Let's talk. My mind has changed.
Please.
Eventually.
I'm tired of waiting.
Me too. Me too. Don't close the door on me, please. We need to talk right now. Are you serious? Are you serious? I don't have a weapon. I don't have a weapon. Are you kidding? I don't know what I'm doing, bro. I'm just trying to find a weapon. Bro, anything but a weapon. I don't want to read right now. I just need a weapon. What the frick am I gonna do with that? Okay, hold on, hold on, hold on. This is horrible, bro. This is just the worst thing ever. Psychostimulants. Hold on. Locate me the items. Locate the items. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. There's got to be a weapon in there. Bang. Let's go. Bang. Let's go. Bang. Let's go. Ammo. 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 2 bullets, bro. That's all I need. That's all I need. Okay, we go. Hold on, I gotta use the psychostimulants while I can. Come on, bro. Ammo, ammo, ammo. Can you use that? That's machine gun ammo. What the frick? Where's that at? Yeah. Okay, okay, hold on. I'm doing something now. I'm doing something now. Where do I put that fuse? Where do I put that fuse? Where do I put that fuse? Right here, right here, right here. Let's frickin' go. Easy, easy. Let's go. I didn't have to shoot every freaking enemy. Let's go. Now I got a weapon too. Mia, let's lock and load. Sorry, I'm getting hype, you guys. Okay. Evangeline, we need to talk right now. I know I wanted a family, but me and my husband are now, shoot. I forgot Ethan's like totally dead. Okay, it's just me. Put the weapon away. Good,
Watch.
Just in time.
What? Why?
You need to remember, so we can be a family.
Okay. Old videotape. It's covered in crap. You gonna watch too, or you leaving? Alright, let's go. What is it? What is it? Test subject, C, transport log, top secret. Test subject? Definitely her.
Alan, you're getting worse.
That's my voice.
Infected me during the attack. And I'm too far gone anyway.
Come on, Alan. He's got a little watch thing on too.
But it serves me right. It's my fault she got out.
Yeah, it is your fault.
Yep.
But that doesn't mean I'm gonna let you die.
Good Mia, good Mia.
She didn't attack you?
It's part of her imprinting protocol. I can't believe this is happening.
Here. Take it. It has her tissue samples. You find her. You fix this.
Okay, Evie. Where are you?
This is new. Evie. Evie? Target acquired? Target acquired? Target acquired. Numbers. How the distance target. 8. Wait, is it gonna be 9? Yeah, I'm farther away. She's definitely... If I crouch, does it get lower? No, she's definitely above. She's definitely above. Or she's either in that room. Maybe in here, maybe in here. Ah, what's this?
She's vomiting.
Oh boy, what the frick?
I'll have to reset.
Alan.
How's it going?
She's vomiting. Far more in excess of her body mass.
Oh, great. We're gonna be seeing a lot more of her ugly friends if this keeps up. All right, we need to find her and fast. This is getting out of hand.
Agreed.
Okay, alright. So now I can get on the elevator? Oh my gosh, that machine gun had him feeling crazy. That machine gun had him giving up. Come on, don't run away, please. Did I make a deal with her that I ended up forgetting? She's running away. Come back. Gosh darn it, she took it to a whole separate floor. Okay. I can only go to 2 places, I guess. I'm getting closer. Nice. This is probably the one. Yes. We need to talk. We just need to talk. I know I have a weapon in my hand. You gotta put the weapon away, Mia. But I gotta keep defending myself against the funky buddies. Oh, how grateful. Remote bomb? Whoa. Uh-oh. I'm getting close going this way. Oh, yeah, she's definitely in there. Alan, stop!
I think she's on the other side of this door. But I don't have a key.
Try to melt down the lock. You're on the bottom level, right? Check our luggage.
Check our luggage? Does he have a... What does he have that would melt a lock? The corrosive fluid stuff from RE9? Okay. Well, I'll be darned, bro. I'll be darned, bro. That stuff works like a charm, bro. And then...
Are you mad at me, Mommy?
No, Evie. I'm not mad. Wait. What did you call me?
I don't want to live at the lab anymore. I want a house. And I want you to be my mommy.
Okay, Evie. I'll be your mommy. Just come back with me.
I made a deal I
right
couldn't
now.
fulfill.
Okay?
Oh.
Where are you, Evie?
I made a deal. I made a
Evie,
promise I
wait.
couldn't fulfill. Alan!
Did you find her?
Yes, but she ran off. She's making more friends, Alan. Those things are everywhere.
I told you so.
Are you okay?
You just worry about getting everyone back.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, oh my gosh. And she thought I was actually being like, yes, I'll be your mommy. I kind of want to use these bombs. That sounds a little bit fun. Corrosive, use corrosive on it. More corrosive, more bombs. Yeah, give me give me the alright, got the boat, baby. What am I talking about? She keeps running away. Evelyn, stop! You're making me run around the whole gosh darn ship! Oh, she's freaking it all up.
Emergency safety lockdown system has been engaged.
She's freaking it all up. Okay, get out quick. We do not want this closing on us. Come on. Come on. Go, 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 go. Nice, 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 nice. Evie's upstairs. Oh, she stole Alan. Bad day, bro.
Alan? Alan, where the hell are you?
Gone. Okay, wait, let's use the corrosive on this. What is this? What am I collecting all these bombs for? Yeah, this is definitely like... Why did we even have the bombs on the ship? Bro, I have 8 bombs. What do I possibly use these for? Wait, can I go upstairs? Yeah, I can, yeah. Evelyn, come on. It's this room again, it's this room again. Oh shoot, Alan!
How did you get here?
How did he get here?
Where's Evie?
She's out of control. Without the treatments, she's deteriorating.
Well, it's a good thing we're already dying.
Don't say that.
Get up on my face with that coffin, bro. Yeah, bro.
She trusts you. That little she never trusted. Okay, wait. Evie, no, Evie.
Alan, listen.
I didn't mean to call you that.
She tried to take
telepathically
control.
can read
You have to
thoughts.
Fight her.
And he's gone.
Evelyn, stop! Stop right now!
Don't touch me, don't!
Oh my gosh, don't you dare insult Evelyn. She'll turn you into a memory in Louisiana. Why me, bro? Yeah, oh, rest in, wow. What did she soft lock me and then run away? Are you kidding me? Where did she go? What is this? Wait, what am I doing?
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this, stay away.
How did I end up at the Baker house?
Knew me.
How did I end up at the Baker house?
Have a good life.
Oh, and I sent the one on the boat, and then I sent that one to him. What the balls? Am I doing that?
We'll be together forever.
She likes. What the frick? What is going on? How did I get sucked out like an air duct? But since I got hit with the special... Oh. But since I got... Oh my gosh, I got dosed with the special stuff. Therefore, I don't die right here. And then... Did Evelyn was like, I need a home, therefore Jack Baker, your house is now our house? Oh.
Now do you remember?
Yep.
Yes, Evelyn. I remember.
What?
Can we be a family like before?
No.
Yeah.
We can't be a family.
Nope.
We were never a family. We will never be a family.
You're gonna
I
neck
don't
break?
need you anymore.
Jump scared by a little girl, bro. Wait, I don't need you anymore? She doesn't, but like, I'm still here, I'm still alive. She's bluffing. She's bluffing. Big time bluffing, bruv. So now what? Oh. Wait, yeah, now how? I can't even get home now. If I say pretty please, will Evelyn teleport me back to my house? Alright, hold on, just give me like 40 seconds while I climb up this ladder.
Maybe it still works.
Ooh, Five Nights at Evelyn's. Wow. Where's she at, bro? She clearly doesn't have detection for this, I know.
Ethan.
S2, where's that
I
at?
hope I make it in time. Okay. Bottom level.
Bottom level. Alright. Yo, chill.
Liar!
Stop it, Evelyn!
What kind of powers does she have, man?
Hallucinations. Where is she?
Wait, that wasn't real? I could believe that was real if you told me. Okay. Ah, crap. Gosh, of course I gotta be on like the maximum floor height. Where's the stairs at? Where's the stairs at? Stairs. Yes. Can I squeeze through here? Remote bomb. Alright, my main goal right now is just to make it to the bottom floor. Come on. This should be it, right? There's gotta be another door downstairs, right? Finally, man. Gosh, taking me so gosh darn long. It is now 12:37 at night. My goodness. Put that in there. Let's go. Alrighty. South 2, please. I need to freaking recover Ethan. Ethan's literally at 1 HP down there going... My goodness, man. If I was any slower, may God rest his soul.
He's waiting.
Holy crap, bro. This little girl, man. Alright, I know he's waiting. Oh, they're giving me all these gosh darn bombs, bro. Come on, Ethan, I'm coming, Ethan. Where you at, buddy? Alright, cool. I'm coming, Ethan. Come on, don't puppy guard.
Do something.
What? I don't care. Ethan, are you okay?
Ethan?
What?
Ethan?
Whoa.
Hey, shh. I know. I'm not gonna hurt you. I never would have if I could have helped you.
What do you mean?
I'm no killer, son. Neither is Marguerite, nor my boy Lucas.
Lucas, bro, I don't know, bro.
Or even Zoe here. That girl, Evelyn. She did this.
What the is she? Now, what did she do to you?
The virus.
She infected us with her gift. That's what she calls it.
Worst gift ever.
I found a busted out tank in the bayou. Everything changed after that.
So she infects you and then she takes control?
No. Not exactly, son. She just... she forces her way into your mind, your soul. You can't fight back.
Oh, that making me feel bad for
You
Jack
are
Baker,
connected
bro.
to her, and you can't resist the urge to... Oh, you're a different person after that.
So what kind of realm are we in right now?
So
Virus
Mia sent
realm?
that message because of Evelyn.
Listen, the girl just wants a family of her own.
So freaking bad, bro.
She's the key. All right? You find her, and you stop her. Ethan. Free my family. Please.
Okay. I had to think about it.
Evelyn, stay away from him.
Why?
Oh.
He doesn't love you. I can make him love you.
Don't
What?
hurt him.
What?
I told you I'm not gonna hurt him.
Don't you dare.
What is she talking
So
about?
what? You're not my mommy. Remember?
Uh-oh. Ethan. Ethan. Grab my neck. Wait, what did she do? How did she away now?
Mia, how?
There's no time. You have to get out of here and find her. Here, take this.
What?
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 Wait, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Saving your life. You need to go. I won't be able to resist for much longer.
That's really bad, bro.
Now go kill that little.
No. Mia! No!
Kill who?
Okay, you little bitch. Where the fuck are you?
Whoa! I haven't seen this much fighting Ethan forever. It's all your fault. Mine? Me? What? Oh my gosh, let's go, bro. Let's go. Which little B word is he talking about? There was like a dead girl inside the Baker household. She... Oh, shoot. And then I use this tissue to do what? Oh, I can signal to him. I can call to him.
Alpha 1, this is Bravo 1. Do you read?
Ethan
Alpha
here.
1, report. Did you find anything? A thorough search of the Baker property revealed 0 survivors. Repeat, 0 survivors. We did find evidence of a skirmish. Evelyn? Negative. However, we did find several encrypted messages from the Baker's son Lucas to an unknown third party. You can probably guess who that was. That's just great.
Who?
We've had reports he's in the abandoned mine south of the property. I'm gonna go have a look. Roger that. We'll meet you at those coordinates. If you encounter Evelyn, orders are shoot to kill. Repeat, shoot to kill.
Say goodbye to your life, bro. Evelyn just... You've taken me as things. Oh. Like... Oh, shoot! Yes, bro! Hey, give me that, give me that. Oh my god. Alright. Now what? Now what? What can I do? Yeah, let's use this machine gun, bro. This thing's gonna be wicked. Merry Christmas. Where am I going, bro? What am I doing? Oh, I thought there was one in the elevator, bro. Alright, let's end it, bro. Let's end it, bro. So wait a minute. Was Evelyn teleporting around and that wasn't the real Evelyn? Is that why she's telling me to... Is that why she's telling me to kill her? Because she wasn't dealing with the real Evelyn? Maybe. Wait, what did they... Wait, I just realized I'm like in a mine. What did they build this mine for? What the frick were they doing in here? Yeah. Oh my gosh, like Minecraft. You gotta be farting on me, bro. Action report. Oh my gosh, wait, this looks crazy. What is this? Target. Oh. Do it now. This is the big stuff, bro. This is the big stuff. I cannot lose this stuff, bro. Where do I put this? Yeah, let's save, let's save, let's save. Holy moly. Okay, who do I use this on, though? Who do I inject this with? This is like some crazy device, bro. That's her. That's her. She stopped humming. No, keep humming, keep humming. What is she doing? What is she doing? She's bringing the whole place down on me. Not good. Let's go, let's go. Am I good? Am I good? Am I good? Did I get past him? Oh my gosh, you have to be kidding me, bro. Come on, bro, come on. Alright, he's done, right? He's done, right? He explodes, right? Yep, okay, cool. My goodness, these boss battles are so annoying, man. So annoying. Like, when I think the game is just gonna give me, like, that ending, they just keep throwing dudes and more dudes and more dudes, dudes and dudes, friends and dudes and brothers and dads and fathers and kids and sons and uncles and cousins, bro. Like, hey, bro, just let me finish the game! What now? What the frick? Wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh my gosh,
Sure of it.
we're back here.
It's not here. It's gone. It's gone.
And this takes me back into the house. Yeah, what do I do once I'm in here now? Do I just get in my car and leave? I got the serum. I still need to put the serum in somebody. Who do I put? Yeah, I remember that.
This is your fault.
Bro.
Why am I seeing this?
It's because I'm infected, bro. I'm infected.
Ethan, it's okay.
Yeah, I remember this. I remember this too. And then she puts a screwdriver.
He doesn't want to be my daddy? Then he can die.
Right there, bro. Nah.
Now it's Mommy's turn to kill you.
Okay, where's she at, though? She can't just keep teleporting, man. She's hashtag ticking me off.
Help! Ethan, help me.
I'm trying, bro. I don't know where I'm going or what I'm doing.
I want your help.
Bro. Evelyn, get back here right now. Come on.
You're gonna be one of us. And then maybe you'll play nicely.
I'm not playing.
Oh! No! Get that away from me!
I have to stop it.
Why? I can't tell if this is like real or fake. Is she trying to convince me it's real?
I don't want to hurt you.
Then don't. Oh.
About me.
Oh my gosh, bro, stop. Stop.
I have to do this.
No, you don't. What are you talking about? Why is the whole place like gonna collapse on me? I don't understand where the game's wanting me to go. Upstairs, maybe? She's trying to block me.
Get away! Don't!
Bro! I can pop ult too, bro. I'm Ethan. Come on. It was like 0.05 seconds to...
Get away!
Doesn't work on me, doesn't work on me. Part two.
Leave me alone!
Bang. This is it.
Away from me! Stop! No!
Oh, I forgot I just killed her. I thought
You.
Why does everyone hate me?
Oh. That.
It hurts!
Let's get out, Ethan. Let's get out. Let's get out, Ethan. What the what just happened? What? When I said that thing earlier about like the 20-foot monster, I was joking a little bit.
You're just a little boy.
Bro. She's slapping me with these huge tentacles. It's game over. Did they nuke her or something? Stop at me! Hey, you can't go about it like this. That was like a 50-foot drop. What is that? What is that gun right there? 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 Hello? Oh my gosh, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Oh my gosh. Requiem before the Requiem. Let's go, let's go. Boom! Reveal that face. Boom. Hello. 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 Just like that, man. Like giving candy to, just like giving candy to a baby. Thanks, guys. Hey, guys, don't worry, guys. What did you drop the pistol from the helicopter and expect me to? What was that, bro? Is that little assist right there? Thanks, you guys. What's up, bro? What's your name, bro? Bro.
I'm Redfield.
Yeah, same dude at the end of RE9. Thanks, man.
The f took you guys so long?
That's what I'm saying, bro. I was playing the game for like 6 hours. Get out, lad.
Ethan?
Mia. You made it. I'm glad.
How did they
Did I?
Hey, man. Let's go, man. How did they even find her? She looked like charcoal the last time I saw Mia inside that boat. Evelyn was hashtag ticked off,
They say that
bro.
when one door closes, another opens.
Then Ethan just moves on like it was nothing.
A door closed tonight. And what a long night it was. But not just for me. Mia and I weren't the only victims here.
True.
So were the Bakers.
True.
It was that thing, Evelyn, who made them that way.
That grandma, bro. I should have pushed down the gosh darn stairs.
Now Evelyn's dead. And these guys are here to clean up the mess.
Soaring through the sky.
I just come to terms with losing Mia. And now she's back and wants to start over. Put all this behind us.
Good luck, bro.
Maybe this is where the next door opens.
Hey, man. That's good, bro. It's like you're making toast as breakfast. Ah, man. Very good game. Very good game. Where's this cutscene?
Go tell Aunt Rhodey
What is this like? This like happy terror, bro. I was gonna say they're gonna be like making like cereal. Ethan's gonna be like, man, remember that night Lucas almost turned me into a block of cheese? Wow. I appreciate his optimism. That was truly impressive. Gets picked up in a helicopter. Just one bad night, man. Nothing crazy, nothing crazy. That looks like the guy from Open Season. That dude in the truck. Oh. Answer the phone. Oh. Who was ringing me? Difficulty normal. Playtime 7 hours 11 minutes. Yikes. Restarts 0. Yes. Mr. Everywhere's 8 out of 20? I could have swore I got all those guys. 0 healing items? Dude, I'm talented. Difficulty Madhouse. Weapon Albert. When you go in beast mode and you whip out the Albert. I am Secrets of the Defense. What is Madhouse? Madhouse? That doesn't sound very good, bro. Alrighty, y'all, well, that would conclude my playthrough of Resident Evil 7 Biohazard. I just want to take a moment to say thank you to all you guys who have been watching this one, especially if you watched the Resident Evil 9 and you stuck through to watch this game. Even though this game is like 9 years old, still having you guys, you know, and where YouTube's at right now, like, normally people wouldn't upload a game like this just because, like, I don't know, maybe there's not a lot of hype around it or whatever, but I figured, why not give you guys some long videos to watch over the summer? A series for you guys, even though it was like 2 episodes. I don't know. I bet you Village will probably be like 3 or 4. That game, I'm pretty sure, like, what I just did plus like 6 more hours of playing. I've heard that game is long, man. But I just want to say thank you guys for sticking around and watching that, even if you have seen another YouTuber play it, even if you watched somebody play it recently or played it yourself recently. A buddy of mine just had his like sister play it like recently. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy that playthrough, make sure to leave y'all's favorite timestamp down in the comments below. Make sure to let me know if you guys enjoyed it down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.
Yeah, that's
okay.
I can't see much in front of me though. This is like Star Wars. No, we gotta figure out what the unknown tool is.
Oh my gosh,
That's the best part about exploring.
What the frick is that, bro? This. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! Fellas, have you ever been afraid of the ocean? Some of you, yes, some of you know. Me, I've been to the ocean probably 10 times. I'm not afraid at all. But today we're playing a game that makes that fear come to life. Howdy fellas, my name is Theorfest. Welcome to Subnautica 2. And one great thing about Subnautica is and one thing that's great about Subnautica is it's my first time playing a Subnautica game. But if you pay attention on the home screen, it says, wait, what's that? Multiplayer? Who the frick am I playing this game with?
Yeah, it's me, Terry. You're playing with Terry today.
Alright, Terry. You ready to play some Subnautica 2?
Yeah.
Terry, get out of my seat.
Jacob, bro.
Terry, get out of my seat.
I'm sorry.
Get out. Play with Clone Me, please. Play with Clone Me, please.
He's backing up.
Subnautica 2 ain't the only 2 playing this game. We two people playing this game.
Bro, these UI noises are making me feel frivolous. The flight to the desert world, Zero will last 14 years. It's a one-way trip. When you awaken, your new life begins. This music, I'm feeling very like the Discovery Channel. Select Pioneer to print. Oh, character selection. I look the most like Felix out of this loadout. Hello, Felix. Wait, oh my gosh, I can customize. Holy crap, hold on. Everybody, just wait a second. I like the red. Oh, that's all you can customize? All right.
When I'm Erky.
Holy crap.
Autoprint complete. PDM implant reset to factory settings.
I just hit a little factory reset. Getting out the pod, how do I feel?
Atmospheric pressure above human maximum. Projected lifespan 13 minutes. Adaptation.
13 minutes? Hold on, my mouse just like isn't working. Tab? It's this little tune I'm hearing. Okay, so I'm seeing a bunch of red. I don't think that's very good. Hold on, I'm like currently... Jacob, we're gonna die of oxygen poisoning. Hey, Jacob.
I am a beautiful woman.
What the frick, bro?
Is insane.
Okay, wait, Jacob, Jacob, we're like dying of oxygen right now. How do we get oxygen?
First, they're gonna click on here. They're gonna click boot NOA.
Boot sequence B1 and...
You're the QI.
What's up, dog?
Your life is my job. My job is your life.
Oh.
Make full introductions, but courtesies must wait.
I think there's like 5 people talking right now. Jacob, where you go?
There's another knowing mode in the life pod outside. Get me there and I can get us both to safety.
Okay. I'm gonna download a Noah image.
Burning in slow motion. Under 60 atmospheres of pressure, oxygen becomes a neurotoxin. Nitrogen bubbles saturate your flesh and pry your joints apart. I've opened the door to adaptation chamber. Your printed body.
Okay, wait. What the frick is going on in here, bro?
What is this, bro? Look, bro. This is like boys' room and this is like girls' room. This is like boys versus girls' room.
What are you talking
Your
about?
body can adapt survival traits from a Zazuran rat.
Hold on, Jacob, we need to head to the new life port.
But I'm hitting the gene donor.
Jacob, I don't give a fart. Follow me. Holy crap, Jacob, are you okay?
No.
Tampering detected. Uncatalogued donor organism in pavilion.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Dude, they're saying words that I didn't even know were in the. Oh, I'm like good now. All right,
Okay.
see you, loser.
Wait. Are you like sprinting?
Yeah, see you, buddy. Go get the
Oh,
donor,
shoot.
bro. Look, running circles around you. Running circles.
5 exterior conditions. Please proceed to the sampling pavilion to
Dude, I gotta
adapt.
turn this.
What the frick am I doing?
Found.
I'm just like touching on a whole bunch of stuff.
Alien traits to survive.
Adapt alien traits?
Adapting trimethylamine N-oxide
Pressure
synthesis.
tolerance.
Pressure
Oh my
tolerance
gosh.
increased.
Jacob, we're locked. Jacob, we're
Vital
locked.
signs stabilizing. Congratulations. This orb is now your relative.
Let's go.
It's time to
Let's frickin' go,
Subnautica.
bro.
It's time to Subnautica.
Dude, Jake. Oh, shoot. I just pressed that. I don't know if that was a good thing. Is the whole place gonna blow up? Ooh, I probably need that.
Okay,
Jacob, we gotta
where
head to
am
the
I
new
going?
life pod. Yeah, we
Oh,
got
Iceland.
Yo,
Iceland.
Holy crap, bro!
Wow, still wakes the deep too.
Jacob, how do you swim? Bro, this lady's talking in my ear. I can't hear a single thing, bro.
I'm a yogurt male. Oh.
Okay, upload Noetic advisor. This is what this dude was telling. Yeah, the other Noah pod is what he told me to go to. Done, thank you. The sleep bay was extremely confined. Assess mission state. Launch.
I can't release the life pod. The clamps have corroded shut. The tyranny of
Holy,
matter.
there's so much stuff
You'll
on my
have to
screen,
swim out
bro.
and release them manually. They're on the back of the pod, outside the passenger window.
All right, Jacob, we got
Mind
this.
your breath.
Dude,
Let's do
I
this.
actually like cannot tell if I'm L or W right now.
What? We gotta
Where do
we gotta manually release the clamps.
Where the clamps?
Wait, where the frick are the clamps at, bro? Wait, hold on. Maybe one right here, one right here.
I'm like flick shotting the water.
Is this clamps? Yeah, this is a clamp. That's one. Hold on, Jacob. Here's two. Here's two. Okay, wait, my oxygen's run out. Get back in. Get back in.
I got you, bro.
Come on. Jacob, my oxygen's run out.
Wait, where we go?
I got you. No, I got you. Let's go. Launch. Let's go, Jacob. That's how we do this. Back to safety we are. What an amazing adventure this has been. Okay.
Oh.
Who's that?
Still wakes the sheep.
Jacob, this is not looking good at all. This is not looking good at all, bro.
Clearing main thrusters.
Thruster function restored.
Dude, this is pretty normal to me.
Yo, there's just a bunch of stuff happening, bro. What the frick is going on? Bro, we're gonna explode! Yo!
Where'd you go? I'm like on the floor, you're like not here.
I don't know, where'd you go? Yo, I am dead after that. Unknown World presents.
Bro, figure out what world you're in.
PDA, wake up. I'm up. Let's get this money.
Starnav does not recognize the sky.
No,
Where we at?
roleplay.
Titan class biosignature on the horizon.
It does not say that in the sky, bro, but Subnautica 2, let's go.
What an intro.
You are not on Zazura, Pioneer.
Is that the planet we were supposed to be on? Jacob, hit a little cowabunga into the water.
Ready?
Wow. Standard air tank. All right, Jacob, I know what we need to do. Remember Satisfactory, how we go and get the bunch of stuff to prepare the bunch of stuff? Now we gotta go get a bunch of stuff to make a bunch of stuff.
This game's too complicated.
Oh, it's frickin' not. This game was made
Wait,
for
what do I
babies.
do?
I don't frickin' know. Is this supposed to be a tree? Dude, that's gotta be like 1,000,000 meters tall, bro.
The colony
Hold on. Why'd you have like an Irish accent when you said meters?
I don't know what you're talking about.
All right, Max. I think it's time we dive into the coral reef.
Yo, what the frick is that, Jacob? Ew, dude, ew!
This organism filters
Wait, she's talking.
drinkable fresh water.
Oh, wait a
This
minute.
may be an adaptation to the seawater's anomalously high viral load.
Hold
That
on.
little
Can I
buddy in
turn this guy into a water bottle? Be
Wait,
honest.
so is this like? Oh.
Dude, Jacob, I just straight up did it. Oh, and I'm drinking! And I'm drinking! Let's go, bro.
Wait.
Jacob, how about we get frickin' hashtag turn? Let's find us frickin' beer on this island, bro.
Yeah.
Frickin' go,
Yo,
bro.
you just like dive in, bro.
Jacob, let's find a whole bunch of stuff. You get that little guy, you make a little water, okay?
I got another little.
Holy crap, bro.
Lord.
What do we got over here, bro? We got this nice little coral reef. Need to get some materials.
Oh my gosh, watch out. No, that was freaking mine.
Jacob, I just got some titanium.
I know, you just freaking took it from me in my face.
That guy looks like a boomerang. What's up, guy?
Oh, W. Wait,
Oh my gosh, I'm running out of oxygen. Hold on. Jacob, we gotta get Jacob, you know what we gotta get?
What?
Jacob, we gotta get one of those little motors where we start going off fast, and then we gotta get a oxygen tank.
How do you know? You said you've never played this.
How well? I've like seen people use it before.
Max be like, we gotta get a motor.
Okay, standard air tank. I need to get one more titanium, rubber, and 2 silver. Excuse me.
I'm not getting that, bro. I'm getting this.
Scaring the crap out of me, Jacob. Yo, what are you doing?
I did a mega trick with this in my hand. Wait. Inspect.
Yo, stop, Jacob. Wait, Jacob, come to me. Jacob, do you see the like little fish thing right over here?
Little fishes.
Do you see that?
Oh.
We gotta go see what that is, no?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. Jacob, on the way, we gotta pick up some mats. We gotta get 999 mats.
Max talking about get some mats, bro.
Yes, bro.
I'm not about to have a build fight. Bro, the ocean is so beautiful, bro. I feel like I'm back in Fruitigo Aeroland 2008.
Fruiterland.
Bluefish.
Wait a minute, bro. That
Noticing
thing's not a fish. That thing's freaking like flying. Wait,
Are
we
you
can't even do
noticing
anything
that,
with
Max?
it. I'm just getting all these mats, bro.
Bro, you see this big dude?
I see a bunch of big dudes.
Max, I'm actually like progressing, bro.
Jacob, we've been in the game for like 10 minutes.
Yes, I don't even know
hold
what
on,
I'm.
hold on.
Max, I'm collecting so many resources, bro.
Jacob, do you have any rubber or silver you can get me?
No, I'm blind.
Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna ask these crabs where I can find some rubber. Hey, little buzz, we're gonna find some rubber.
We're gonna go upstream and then to the left.
Oh, I appreciate you.
Yeah, okay.
Yo, Max, I'm gonna be real with you. I think I'm about to run out of oxygen and die.
Jacob, go to the surface.
Max, I'm coming back with like infinite materials, bro.
Bro, dude, we
picking
got
up, like my inventory was full in like 5 seconds.
Holy crap, Jacob.
Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
It's Jacob. Oh, stop, bro. You're scaring the crap out of me, bro.
Bro, Max. Watch how quick I like dive down. Ready?
All right, Jacob. No. Now here's where we get a little crafty. Jacob, you could say Jacob's a Minecraft veteran. Okay, wait, Jacob, go in there. What can you make?
Dude,
Tell me what you can make.
Everything.
Jacob, make 2?
No, I can't. I can't make it.
That's weird, Jacob.
Okay,
Hold on, I'm gonna go find one of those little guys and make another thing of water.
Max,
What?
we need rot sack.
That sounds disgusting, bro. I don't even want that.
That's how you make rubber.
Ooh. Dude,
Yes,
I'm just
bro,
like
give
turning.
me
I'm
that
just
salad.
like I'm turning like these little guppies into some water.
I don't
when
even know what
drink
this salad does. Oily fiber salad, 20 plus food. Oh, Max, little hunger bars, bro. Gotta keep them up.
I know. How do we get some stuff to eat?
Oh, Max, abandoned building under the water over here.
Oh yeah, we need to go. Yeah.
What a mystery. Max, we're actually solving mysteries like it's the Mystery Shack. Oh. Okay.
New database enter. Oh shoot.
What did you just say?
Colony center.
New database enter. Oxygen tunic. Give me that.
Oh, did you find one? Did you find one?
Yes. Max.
What?
We need a freaking battery. Get up here. Dude, Max, what the frick are we doing, bro?
I don't know, bro. I do need to find a rot sack. Oh, I can make a battery.
Bro, let's go.
All right. I'm making a battery.
Wait, batteries are like pretty easy. Okay, let's go back there. Let's go back there.
I have a battery. Hold on. I'm gonna turn my fan on. I'm gonna turn my fan on. All right, where do I put this stinking battery in? Do I put it in the?
Come down here, buddy. Not right here. Right in that wall.
Oh my
right
gosh,
there.
scaring the crap out of me. Okay.
Just
Hold on.
right here.
All systems online.
Yeah.
Let's freaking go, bro.
Look, now we have something.
Biolab.
Dash. Oh wait, did I just give us a W upgrade?
Oh no.
Left shift.
shoot.
Activate.
What'd you just do?
Max, you can. Max, I
What?
think you might have to do it too to get
What?
it.
What'd you
bro,
do?
Bro, come over here. Where are you?
Wait.
Come back to where you put the battery in.
Yeah.
Yeah, come up to here, and then click dash.
Dash.
And then press left shift, bro.
Wait. Install.
Look, it's like a little rewind.
Yo, this is freaking sick, bro.
When you
How
go
did I just get a
forward, W
biological
dash.
upgrade, bro?
Yeah.
Nah, that's ridiculous, bro. Dude, what the frick? That's sick.
Wait, Max, no, Max. Like, what do I look like doing it? Like if you stay right there.
Oh, okay, wait, Jacob. The sun's going down. Are things gonna start getting dicey here in a little minute? All right, Jacob. We gotta make a bed. We can place it down. We can sleep through the night.
Max, we gotta make better plays, bro.
The plays we make are the
other
best
team-
plays you can make, Jacob. Bro,
shoot,
all
I
I'm
got
finding is like
some.
titanium, bro. I need to find rubber.
Bro, I found like it's like
Yo,
wait.
Yo, oh my gosh. What the frick is killing me? Yo, I did something that was like hurting me. Medical gel sack.
I think it's this flower. These orange flowers got like juice.
Jacob, is there like a locator we can build? No, it's harvesting. Scanner, Jacob. Oh my gosh, we need to make another battery. Jacob.
Wait, where's the scanner?
I'm making a battery.
Where's
I'm making a scanner.
Oh!
Yeah, that's what's up, bro. That's what's up, bro.
Wait, make one for me too, though.
I don't have enough. Jacob, do you have quartz?
Bro.
You have
We need
quartz?
quartz.
Okay, go get some quartz. Hold on.
Where the frick?
Jacob, it's getting scary as frick. It's nighttime out here now, bro.
Oh my god, it's beautiful underwater. It's all
Bioluminescence. Can I get a W in the
100
chat for some good bioluminescence?
It's like actually 90% quote me please blue, bro.
This is
I feel
dope.
like Def's made this.
I just like kind of can't see though.
I can. Maybe open your eyes, frickin' bro.
I'm scanning everything, bro.
Oh my gosh, inside. Who just hit me, bro? I didn't like that. Wait, you're right.
Jacob, rot sack! Rot sack!
Lucifer rot sack.
Oh, Jacob, I'm getting all the sacks. You thought of playing football the way I sack. Okay, Jacob, do you know where silver is?
Oh!
Hold on, I'm gonna start scanning a bunch of this bullcrap over here, bro. These are like
I'm
Willy
dead.
Wonka flowers.
I'm dead.
Pylon. Oh, and then I can like view the research I do on them. I see.
Max, it's time to survive so the angel comes.
Jacob, what the frick are you talking about? Dude, I'm hearing noises, Jacob. Okay, Jacob, I'm gonna find one more copper. And then I'm making a little like motor.
I just made like sheet, bro.
All right, copper. Yes. All right, Jacob, I got the materials needed. Okay, wait, Jacob, let me know if you find some silver. I need some silver. Jacob, have you found silver?
No, but I found a mega cave.
Dude, these things are like, yo, they're fighting, bro. Jacob, oh, hold on, let him get up.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna
Dude,
die.
they just had a brawl and then they're like, okay. Oh my gosh, part two, round two. Who will win? They went from fighting each other to fighting that rock. That thing must be a threat.
Oh my god, I found another legend area. Bro, it's got
Habitat builder. Habitat builder. Bro, Jacob, there's like some noises I'm hearing that it's like scaring the crap out of me, bro.
Yo!
Jacob, what?
Big
what?
guy. But bro, actually SpongeBob Big Guy Pants okay over here.
Wait, I'm gonna go see. Yo, what the frick is that? Evil crabs, bro.
Wait, do you see him?
He's at the bottom, right?
Yes, giant crab, big legend.
What the frick?
Alright, I'm getting him. Why am I twiddling my thumbs?
Wakemaker fragment.
Max,
I gotta find a whole bunch of fragments, bro.
What if I smack him?
That dude is going beast mode down there. All the school's official like, Oh, he farted out a little bubble. Oxygen tunic.
Return to the life pod at your convenience.
Wait, does he like blow oxygen bubbles? Wait, hold on. Yo, that's sick. Jacob, you can get underwater oxygen refills if you find a little guy that's blue and purple.
Yes, bro. I found that like 5 minutes in, freaking bruh.
Is this silver? Is this silver? What is this?
Oh, I was actually
Yes,
like,
yes!
from death
Jacob, I
there.
found
That's
silver.
actually dope.
I found silver.
With silver and gold.
Ah, Jacob, to get the silver, hold on, can I ping that somehow? Jacob, to get the silver, we gotta build like a silver extraction tool.
Okay, well I have a scanner and you freaking don't.
I have a scanner. Okay, wait, Jacob, I'm about to build this little like resource miner, if I can build it.
Yo, how do you just like do this stuff, bro?
What do you mean?
I'm like going around, I can't figure it out.
I'm kind of just doing stuff. Bro, I'm trying to figure out, bro, I swear, where did I see where I could build the resource miner? That's what I'm trying to build.
I don't know what a resource miner is. I don't know where
Well, I mean, I can't get any silver until I build it.
Building a processor and a power supply will unlock
Habitat
new
builder.
fabricator recipes.
We can now, I'm pretty sure we can build like a house now.
A W house.
Is the next step on your mission.
Some nada house.
A standalone habitat? Oh, shoot, bro. Jacob, are we gonna get a little buildy? Survival, Jacob, can you mine stuff with the survival multi-tool? Oh my gosh, that is what it is. I'm such an idiot. I'm such an idiot.
Wait, what?
It was the survival multi-tool. I thought there was like a one beyond that, because oh my gosh. I'm such an idiot, bro. Now it's time to get some stinking silver, and we're about to boss up, bro. oh my gosh, I can already imagine it. Traveling at light speeds through the ocean. All the fish are gonna be looking at me like, holy crap, that man's fast. Oh my gosh, I'm so ready. Jacob, are you ready?
No.
Let's go.
I don't know what I'm supposed to be ready for, bro. I've just been like exploring little.
Jacob, I might be the stupidest human on the planet. It says requires unknown tool. Yeah, thanks. That helps a lot. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start sticking freaking candles. All right.
Well, then how are you the stupid one if they're the ones being stupid?
I don't know. I don't know how I figure out how to mine this stuff, bro. I just need silver really bad. Do I need to find smaller traces of silver? Maybe that's what I need to
Wait.
do.
Why'd I find like the mysterious green berry?
Jacob, you gotta help me find some silver.
Bro, Max, I was looking like everywhere, bro. I explored like 14 buildings.
I actually think you definitely need to build that tool to get silver. It's just like, oh
Dude,
man, I just wish I knew what tool it was.
I actually found like evil seeds, bro.
Jacob, what are you talking about?
Maybe we should build the habitat builder then.
Okay, yeah, let's just build the habitat since we can do that right now. All right, how do I make some glass? So I need to find one more quartz. All right, I'm gonna just punch myself in the balls. I think, oh my gosh, I think I just sniped some quartz. Dude, what a freaking snipe, bro, what a snipe. Okay, Jacob, come back. All right, Jacob, I'm making glass. Boing. All right, Jacob, I got the glass. What do you need the glass for?
Just drop it in me and I'll do the rest. All right, make this. All right, Max, see what you can do with that, baby. Here, see what you can do with this. How do I drop?
Habitat builder. Oh boy.
Look at that inspect.
As a platform for systems like the processor and scanner station, a habitat is a vital investment in your future. A habitat can also be an emotional anchor.
Emotional anchor.
Proof that you've built something to last. Remember, it's easier to replace a body than a base.
What does she mean by that? She said it's easier to replace a body than a base. Jacob, don't go dying on me now. Okay, wait, hold on. Enter construct mode Q. Okay, I didn't see any changes. Shrink mode. Well, I get tiny.
Yes, do it.
Open menu. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Must be attached to a room or corridor. Okay, wait. How do I create a corridor?
Wait, so can we like extendo mode?
Jacob, oh my gosh.
What?
Yeah, Jacob, where do you want to build this house, Jacob? Where do we want to get buildy?
Right frickin' under here, bruh.
Right under here? Okay. All right, move. Hold on. Build the corridor. Boom. Look at it.
No!
All right, wait. Do I need to like supply it now? It says we need 2 titanium. Hold on. Jacob, let's get some stinking titanium.
Wait. I have like so much in here.
Put some titanium on that bad boy. See what he goes.
How much? 2?
2. You just need 2.
I don't know if I can.
Give it to me.
I might need the tool.
Give it to me.
All right, buddy. Here you go.
Okay, wait. 2 titanium.
All right, make it
construct.
happen.
Oh my gosh!
Oh yeah, make it happen.
Bingo, baby.
Wait, how do we get in?
All right, Jacob. I don't know. I gotta make an opening. I think. How much does that cost? Give me one more titanium. Uno.
I've got so much titanium.
Oh my gosh, we're just getting so buildy.
I'm actually.
We're just getting so buildy, bro.
Do you have like a lot of room in your inventory?
No.
And then check this out for me.
What's up? Jacob, chill. Oh my gosh, Jacob. Let's go, bro. Construction happening now. Right there. Come on, bro. Let's go, Jacob. I'm feeling it. Go in there, boy. Go in there, boy.
Welcome aboard.
Wait, still losing oxygen.
Okay, we're definitely gonna need to like
oxygen production offline.
Yeah, we need to make some oxygen. That's what we need to do.
We need to become better people.
Jacob, we got our own little stinking habitat in here, dude. Wait, Jacob, where did you do that thing where you could eat food?
Hello. What?
Where did you do that thing where you could eat food?
Oh, it's like the evil bubble flower. Wait, I'm like right by it, I think. Actually, this might be like another one.
Wait, I gotta do that because I gotta be able to eat food. I'm coming.
This is the evil bubble flower that I already used, so you gotta come.
Oh shoot, I didn't even, yeah. I saw this thing earlier and I was like, this looks dangerous.
No, Max, this was the thing. You remember at the beginning where we touched it and it like made us walk fast?
Oh shoot, you're right.
It's the same kind of thing. So I think we gotta go up to these if we find them, get W power-ups, and then continue like nothing.
Oh, wait, Anita's talking to me. This is my body.
The meat?
No, Anita.
Oh.
Ah. Jacob, alright, ready? Here's my prediction. We play through the game, we slowly turn into the aliens so we can survive on this planet.
Nope.
Gosh, that's like such a level 0 theory. I'm sorry, you guys. Okay, wait, Jacob. Should we get even more building? Should I build more stuff onto this freaking sucker?
No, I think you should quit.
Okay. Okay, Jacob, our entrance is gonna be too wide. Alright, then once you walk in, you're gonna take a left. You're gonna take a left, and then it's gonna be right there.
Bro, this game loves telling me that I'm about to die, bro. Like, I know.
Then that's just gonna be the whole house.
Welcome aboard.
Wow.
Bro, W house, bro. Can we get like a TV?
Oh, I can construct it from the inside too. That's pretty sweet. How do I build a
Dude, I just don't understand progression in this game.
I think we just gotta keep doing stuff.
It's just like find stuff and it happens.
Yeah.
Oh,
okay,
I just found some silver.
Do a habitat beacon. No, try and mine it though. You can't.
Wait, I did though.
You mined it?
Yeah.
How the freak, bro? I guess I'm just the worst, bro. How'd you do that?
I have 4.
Bro, bring that crap to me right now.
Oh, sorry, bro.
How did you do that?
Give me like 4 days and I'll be over to you. I don't know. I just smacked it with my tool.
Am I built for these games, everybody? Am I built for these games? Bro, Jacob, our base, dude, Jacob, I think this is the best base anybody has ever built, bro. It's just just look at it, bro. It's a little left turn or right turn.
When it curves right.
Oh my gosh, standard air tank, and we're building. Okay, wait, holds breathing air, standard all environment respiratory design. How long can I breathe now?
5 minutes.
Dude, I can actually breathe.
Wait. I gave you all that silver and you just made some for yourself.
Wait, no, I still get, hold on, Jacob. You need 2 silver. There you go. You need 2 silver to make it. Let me know if you, hold on.
I don't have rubber.
You don't have rubber? Yeah, I have rubber. Boing! Welcome to the game.
Okay, you gave me 1 silver.
No, I didn't. Look right here, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Load that sucker up.
I was like, nah, give me that silver so I can make myself stuff.
Okay, wait, then you know what I need to make for myself as well? Wait, how do I make fiber? Who the frick is making fiber? Okay, I need to find a fibrous pulp. Hold on. I'm gonna make myself flippers so I can get a little, wait. Start moving frickin' fast through these regions.
What do you need for flippies?
Fibrous pulp to create fiber and then rubber. Oh my gosh, I just stepped into the fart zone, bro. I'm Coyote Peterson,
What?
We just stepped in the sting zone, bro. Bro,
That's
where
why
did
I
I
just
find that
smacked one of
fibrous pulp before, bro?
I don't know, bro. You just like pick things up when you're hungry.
What is this? Sonic resonator? I'm finding a new thing every 30 seconds. Ew! I'm not going down there, bro. How does this work?
Wait, so what are you trying to make? What are you trying to make?
I'm trying to make fiber. Fiber.
Where the frick is that?
In the basic materials. Because that's how you create a flapper. You need 2 fibers.
Oh!
How did you do? What the frick, Jacob? How did you find that? And then you make 2 rubbers. Jacob, I swear, bro. All right, go ahead. No, go ahead. Make it. Go ahead and make it for yourself. Go ahead and go super freaking fast.
I got him.
Jacob, how did you freaking make fiber? Jacob, you're not even like trying to make stuff. You just have it.
No, I did find it. You gotta find the mysterious orange flowers, bro.
What the frick are those? Mysterious orange flowers. Jacob, just punch me in the neck at this point and tell me I'm dreaming.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
Look behind you, bro.
Come here. Look, you see these guys?
Yeah.
Look, so the middle is the stuff for the rubber, and the outside is the stuff for the funny money.
Oh, get off, bro.
See, you are just blind as frick.
Get off, bro.
You
What
are
a
freaking evil as frick.
Closer to vinyl or latex than cellulose.
You are actually slow, bro. Slow,
What
bro?
a- dude, check a pill
Slow
off,
bros.
bro. I'm such a
Max,
pillar,
I just
bro.
helped you out, bro.
Thank you.
Don't even frick me.
No, I'm getting mad at the game, bro. I didn't even know you could double it up and give it back to yourself on the same plant.
What the frick are you talking about?
Bro, you could get one thing and then you could get two things.
Double it and give it to the next person. Give it to the next person.
And then I gotta go over there and freaking harvest
double
the
it
Johnnies
and
off the little guy, bro. This game's taking me
What
off.
are you talking about? Harvest the Johnnies?
Jacob, you're over here finding materials on accident, bro.
Mr. Beast is definitely filming a Subnautica 2 challenge right now. Like, beat the game in 5 seconds.
Subnautica 2, but can you turn yourself into a bacon cheddar sandwich? Be Subnautica 2, if you don't beat it, I kill you.
Dude, I need Mr. Beast to make like real life Squid Game, but like people
Let's
actually
no,
die.
Jacob. Let's see if the flappers were even worth all the tusk. Okay, these are bad.
They're not
These
that
are
crazy. I'm
freaking
not gonna lie.
crap. I mean, I could definitely see some increase in my momentum velocicular angles. Okay, now the real question is, how the heck do I make a little oxygen guy?
Okay, but like, what do we do now?
Dude, I've been literally the entire time I've been playing this game.
What the frick is a chap?
What?
Bro, click on the thing to the left of the crafting thing, and the top thing just says chap. Right here,
Oh,
click
chap!
the orb.
What? What is this chap doing, bro?
Wait,
What?
Max, there's like new thing on the map. You see that? Black
Wait,
Fox
what is
Quaker?
that? Let's go check it
I
out.
don't know. Hold on. Let me put a ton of stuff away really quick. Hold on, though. I gotta make a water bottle.
Jacob Boy's talking about someone gotta make a water bottle.
I can't even make water bottles around this dude. Had to teach this dude how to make a flipper, by the way.
Teach me? You're being bold.
You didn't know where you got him!
Dude,
Max, I'm like genuinely gonna sick Lucy on you, bro.
Once housed tens of billions of living
I'd be like Lucy sick.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Max, can you just wait for me, bro? Like you bro. Like frick.
Dude,
Really?
I didn't even know you could. Yo, this guy's beating the crap out of me, Jacob. Hold on, this kid's gonna get killed. Yeah, charge me again, see what happens.
Whoa, dude, be nice to him. Wait, 30 seconds of what? Did it just say 30 seconds for you?
No, I was too busy fighting this guy.
Oh, I think it was talking about my oxygen.
I'll turn you into a memory in the ocean, little boy. Jacob, where the frick
Alright,
are
I'm
you?
diving down. I'm there.
Are you kidding me? You said wait for me and then didn't meet up with me.
Alright, you ready, bro? Let's do it.
Alright, Jacob, yeah, just don't wait for me at all.
I'm
missed.
literally still here.
Is there oxygen in here?
I don't know, but there's something in that building, bro.
Bro,
You gotta
I'm
figure it
hearing
out.
like fish.
Oh wait,
fart.
entrance.
Oh my gosh,
entrance.
bro.
Wait, entrance, no access.
How do we get in?
I don't know.
This game's scaring the
Jared.
crap out of me.
Found my way in. You're a freaking bro.
What?
Bro, you are actually incompetent, bro.
I found another entrance.
byproducts detected.
Wait. I activated it. We need to go to the next one.
Yeah, see? Watch, come to my one and you'll realize what a real man is.
I literally found it and you couldn't figure it out.
Yeah, but did you find this?
Bro, what the frick are you talking about?
If one of my species
Shush,
There was only
lore.
one.
Shush, lore.
You may be the very last human being in the universe.
Two.
You
There's
get to write
freaking
the last
two.
chapter of our story. I ask you to do the most human thing you can.
Burp.
Forget your debt. Forget Noah. Forget Altera. Forget Zazora and the life you imagined. It's all gone now. You're going to die here. Pick the most interesting thing you can see and explore.
What we've been doing for an hour and 10 minutes.
Yeah, that's Max. That's why I just crafted up 2 water bottles and you're not even getting one of them.
No. See how much I don't care?
Yeah, see how far away you are? 276, and I'm going to the new Black Box Quaker, bro.
Where's that at?
I'm going to Chap.
Oh, yeah, you're going to chat?
Where's that at? Were you not paying attention this whole time?
No, Jake, because I was at the other one trying to find Brick way in.
Oh my god. Why were you trying to find your way in? I said I activated it and we could leave.
There might be goodies in there.
You are going to be absolutely obliterated in 5 hours.
Jacob, I'm gonna punch you so hard you're gonna forget your first name.
Jacob, maybe do you want to wait for me like at all?
This is so. I asked you to come with.
What the frick is we? What are we listening to, bro?
He's freaking dying, bro. Inventory expanded.
Wait, how'd you do that?
Dude, I'm actually doing everything for everyone.
How did you do that?
I went in there and I activated the stuff. I don't know. I was just clicking stuff.
Oh my gosh. Anything but
Max,
waiting for your
Max,
friend,
Max.
bro.
Actually incompetent. Actually
No, Jacob,
incompetent, bro.
Jacob, you get there and then what you go is Max, I'm gonna wait for you before I
Max,
press the sinking button, Jacob.
Max.
Jacob,
Max,
I'm gonna
I
rip you in
said-
half.
I said at the last thing, I said, we can leave. I activated it. And you willingly decided to stay there for 5 more minutes.
You could have said, Max, why aren't you coming? Max, why aren't you coming?
No, that's good, bro. I'm just making all the progress. Teach you how to make the flipper.
I can't, bro.
Teach you
This
how to go to the
upbeat
black
music
box.
is like, this is a friendship moment. No, this is an enemies
I'm actually
moment,
doing
bro.
everything. I'm actually doing everything here, and I can't stand it anymore.
Dude, our base is just laughably bad, bro. We need to fix it.
Max. You're the one who asked for the buildy tool. You get on that, bro. My goodness, bro. Got to baby everyone around here.
Baby, everyone around here can hear. Welcome to the crew, buddy boy. Sun right over there. Get power in.
Power connected.
Holy crap. Oxygen production valid?
Welcome aboard.
Let's go, dude. Jacob, we've been playing this game for like an hour and 30 minutes. What the frick are we doing, bro? What are we looking for out here?
Bro, it's just the same thing, bro. We go down, we get like
we probably,
silver,
bro, we gotta get like some help,
and
bro.
it's
We gotta like,
bro,
you think there's like a tutorial we
I
could?
got like no.
Yo,
What? Who is that?
yo, who's that, bro?
Who is that?
Is that, wait, is that an angel? Is that an angel? Oh my gosh, it's Eddie.
Oh my gosh, it's Eddie.
So guys, since me and Jacob have no idea what we're doing, we have an individual here who knows exactly what they're doing.
Hello.
So,
I'm
Eddie, your professional analysis of our base, rate our base 1 out of 10.
All right, let me see. Let me get a look at this.
Okay.
All right.
Welcome aboard.
It's really good.
I'm telling you, bro. Clean.
This
and
is actually.
class.
I might have to build this in my own world. I actually might have to
I'm
go.
telling you,
I might
bro.
have to get the blueprint for this.
I'm telling you,
Yeah.
bro. Dude, it
Wow,
kills
this
me.
power supply is actually really good too. Wow.
I'm telling you, bro. It keeps going all day, all night.
Yeah, this is wow. Wait, hold on. All right.
Now, Eddie,
All right, we're about to get this show on the
Eddie
road.
was giving me some secret tips, and apparently we need to get these little things called what they call like wave riders.
A wake maker.
I
Wake
did want
maker.
to tell you guys, though,
tomato.
I
bro.
do want to tell all the viewers though that Eddie does not know how to dash, and me and Max do. Just
No,
to
yeah,
throw
we
that
got
out
Dash.
there.
Eddie doesn't have that crap.
When your boy dashed. All right, so we gotta go around. We gotta find one more piece of the wake maker. I think that's what it's called. And then we'll be able to
Frick
swim
is
really
that?
fast. When you and your boy swim really fast. Those who know. Those who swim fast.
Those who use
Where do you
those who use
find the piece
flippers.
of the wake maker?
We gotta go to like the scraps everywhere.
The little boxes. Yeah.
Jacob, do you have a
So
scanner?
just gotta like swim around.
The little boxes.
I found it.
Bro.
I found it. I found
No way.
the last piece.
No way.
I found the last piece.
Let's go.
All right. Everyone go back to the base right now. Go back
Okay,
to the
I'm
left.
coming,
Let's
I'm
have a
coming.
little gathering.
Oh,
Let's have a
no,
little gathering.
I'm a little bit of ways out.
Ow.
Wait, I gotta put on like this like beautiful character. Give me 1 second, bro.
No,
Bro,
I have
holy
it. No,
crap.
I
No,
have
look
it.
how like
No.
majestic I look
No,
at this
I have
Jazz's
it.
character.
I have it. No, I have it. I have it.
No. Oh, dude,
turn it off.
Jacob, your character is like actually beautiful though.
Yeah, you got like a crazy jawline
When
going.
Burst majestic. All right, look, everyone go in the fabricator. Look. So hit personal, and then do you see?
Yeah.
Do you
Wake
see
maker.
like the wake? Yeah. Do you see
I need
that?
grease
We're
and a
gonna need-
battery.
Oh yeah, we're gonna. Wait, you already have the silver and everything?
Yeah.
You
Wait,
can go to resources. You can make the grease right now. We have it.
Wait. Oh, I need to do it in my base though. Yeah, I need to do it in the base.
Yeah. Go in the base.
I
So
made
Max
it.
can make it right now.
I already made it.
Oh, you guys both made it. So
Holy
I'm the-
crap.
Wait,
What does it do?
Wait, Jacob, come here. Jacob, you gotta walk around in the base with it. Come here. Max gotta see how funny this looks. Max, look at Jacob. Look at Jacob. It looks so stupid.
Hold on. Do I got it on? Hold on. How do I put it on?
Put it in your like hotbar. And then.
Oh, hold on. I gotta take stuff out of my hotbar. Bro, it's like a sick equip animation, bro. It's like an Overwatch, like Diva, like nerf this, bro.
So now, Eddie Loki wants to get like a little like equipped up, so I kind of need one too. So we're gonna try to get some silver. We're
Okay,
gonna
dude,
go-
I know where I know where the silver is, bro. Why am I like moving? I'm like moving.
Bro, I'm telling you, you got the movement now, bro. Eddie joins for like 5 minutes and you're already moving faster. Maxwell, come here. Everyone, come here. Come to the life pod. Now, Jacob.
What are we doing at the pod?
Well, Jacob was telling me something. He was asking me about this tree, and I think we should go investigate the tree. I think that would be really
The tree?
good to do.
Where's the Banyans?
Yeah. Well, Jacob was asking questions about the tree. I think we should go check it out.
You can't even get to this gosh darn tree, bro. $100 says you can't even get to the tree.
Eddie's gonna take us. I'm a little slow, guys.
Should I use my pacemaker?
Hold on, I just like robbed somebody's kid, bro.
Max, take my silver to Eddie.
Okay. Yo, Jacob, you're like pooping it all out.
Oh my gosh, you guys have a lot. Wait,
Dude, I'm telling you, Eddie, me and Jacob were getting like resourceful, bro.
This thing is mad at me. Oh, I'm getting hit by fish now, and I'm drowning. Wait, you guys
I found a Jenny pod. Wait,
Jacob, stop going up without us.
Wait, but I found a Jenny pod.
Nobody.
Eddie, what was the name of the ship from the first game? Wasn't it called like the Supernova?
The Aurora.
Okay.
Yeah, the Supernova.
We're
gonna need Max to guide us to the tree. You were talking about the tree. You want to see the tree, Max?
I want to see the tree, bro. I want to see the gosh darn tree.
Well, we'll be there real soon.
Eddie, it's like,
is this a whole bit of us just going to the thing that?
Eddie, it's kind of scary over here. It's like it like goes down for a long time, Eddie.
It's a part of the tree. You guys are a lot faster than Eddie.
Whoa, what the frick is that, bro?
Is being developed while in early access.
Oh, explore at your own risk.
Oh,
Eddie, are we supposed to be over here?
Is that like it or the tree then? Like, can we not go to the tree? I was able to go to the tree.
Holy crap, Eddie. Yo, why is there like 3 of them, bro? There's like 3 of them, bro. Yo,
why is he all up on me, bro? Wait, how is Jacob so far out?
Jacob kept going.
It just didn't care about Jacob. What? Jacob, you can't get to the tree. I was messing with you.
Jacob, turn around.
No, enough of the tree, Jacob.
I'm going to the tree.
Jacob.
Are you still going?
Bro, it kills me. Where did they go, bro?
They're going to class.
What happened?
Jacob, bro, you're just getting farther, bro.
Alright, well, I'm gonna let Jacob go to the tree.
No, I'm coming back.
Keep going to the tree, Jacob. Good luck, bro.
You guys were like screaming. Like, what happened? Was there like
I got like really excited.
No,
I got really excited to go to the tree.
I got like a thing on my screen that says like you won money. I started screaming because I won some dollars.
Wait,
yeah.
Okay.
Wait, was there one of the Leviathans? Is that what was going on?
No, I didn't. What Leviathan? What's a Leviathan?
All right. Okay, so what the frick do we do now?
All right, now?
No. Eddie's like, all right, that was it. You can end the recording. Oh my gosh, Eddie, watch out. Bro, I'm just like stealing fish. I feel horrible.
I don't.
You're a terrible person.
I don't. I feel happy.
You know that?
W3Fest in the comments.
All right, hold on. When I get like this copper going, then we'll be able to like.
Eddie, I have 3 copper.
All right, Maxwell, that would have been really good to say.
No, but I just got it though. That's the thing.
Oh, did you?
Max is the stupidest person
Come
that I know.
Come here. Behind you.
All right, do you want to go back to the tree? Yeah. All right, let's go back to the tree then. All right, let me grab.
Yo, there's like a flashlight, bro.
Your bro got a flashlight.
Bro, I'm trying to find these acidic little jellies, bro, because I need it.
Yo, do you want your dash,
under us?
Eddie?
They're under us. Come here, Max.
Wait, no, I found acidic jelly.
Yeah, I want Dashy.
Okay, come here.
Wait, I'm following Jacob to get my dash. Jacob, you should be using your thingy all the time. All right, Jacob, let me hear you be Dashy.
What up? It's Dashy, and today we're playing some Nautica, Erotica, Statica, Fodica.
All right, what about instead of Dashy, his name was Eddie?
We're gonna be moving from the Leviathan like this.
We're gonna be swimming like this.
Yeah. If
you
had.
All right, everyone, report back to the ship. Jacob, please. This is serious.
Eddie, I'm here for you. I'm sorry.
Wait. Report back to the ship or the base?
Oh no, Max! Please don't say ship. We know what happens when you say that.
Sorry.
Please don't say that, Max.
Jacob, get inside right now.
I hate that this isn't
medical
like
gel
Minecraft,
sack.
I can't stack items.
Oh, now I can make the battery. Frick off with this game, Eddie. Are there things that you just need to like wait for a minute, and then you get something?
What?
All right.
Holy crap, Eddie! You're actually useless.
What did Max just ask you? Do you have to wait till you get something?
No.
Like, how am I supposed to answer that? I don't
like, there's
know.
an item I got. I went to the crafting table, and it wouldn't let me make it. I wait 10 minutes, and suddenly I can make it. What?
What item?
This
you don't have your thing in your hand. You're just standing there. For
No. The batteries, bro. For this.
Bro, Max.
You can always make batteries, Max.
Max,
I wasn't able to.
They're right there.
No,
you can make them.
It didn't let him. He's saying it literally didn't let him.
Acidic rayon pouch. I could have found a million of these little curves, but it wouldn't show up in my inventory.
Bro,
They're here.
Where?
Bro.
Look.
Bro.
You come down here. Shut up, Jacob. You come down here. You go here. You see this? You see this? Where are you? You see this purple thing? You take your knife and you hit it. There you go.
Holy
Now you have it.
moly, bro.
Now you have it.
haven't done that, Max.
Yo, that's just on you.
Dude, Max.
No,
Eddie,
Eddie, just so you guys know, Eddie recommended this game to me. He's like, Max, you should totally play this. I think everybody would enjoy it. I'm having the worst time of my life, bro.
Max,
because
when
I
it comes
just
to a survival game and it's not linear, I don't know how to play it.
No, I don't even want to hear it, bro. No, come here. Ready? I'm gonna show you something. Ready? This is how it feels playing with you, bro. Come here. Eddie be like, no, you gotta walk up to this and press 34 on your keyboard, then press Y, and then you get an item, bro.
Okay, let me try it.
Click on the pink flower.
All right, follow Eddie. We're gonna go to Wander. We're gonna go have a fun time.
Hold on, I need to like hop swatch out my batteries.
Max needs to swap out his batteries. Go like walk
Where,
his dog.
Eddie?
Like,
Where
open the
are
door
we
'cause
going?
his room
What
is hot.
direction?
We're gonna go to Wander.
Wander over
I gotta
yonder.
make water.
No, Eddie's gotta go make water. He's gotta get like more copper.
Max, you like don't know what you're doing and you don't have fun.
Eddie, you said when you played this game, you're like,
fun.
no, ready, I'm gonna say something directly from Eddie's mouth. He said, Max, I don't know if this game's gonna be for you. It's freaking not! I feel like a 4-year-old played this game, bro.
I didn't say that. Well, you're just stupid. You don't know how to play like video
Alright,
games.
fine, that's on me then, bro. Let's continue, let's swim.
Alright, Max, so I'm gonna have you lead us over there. Do you see like the little ping on your map?
I'm leading.
I don't see, how do I check my map?
Yo, Max, you're freaking blind.
Max,
You're
you
blind.
are an idiot. You make me want to say bad words in a video that I can't say bad words in. You know that?
Oh.
They never tell you how to do math! I'm pissing.
Oh, no.
You mean the thing when I look directly down that's just under me the whole time?
Scary. Oh, careful. There's the scary sack under us and we can't venture down yet.
How do we get rid of the scary sack?
You're gonna need the Sonic thingy. Sonic and his friends. But that's not where we have to go right now.
What, Eddie, where do we have to go?
To the ping on the map, you see it? The black box?
Yeah, but isn't that under
Isn't that under the little guy?
So I see. Yeah, we're gonna have to look into this one.
Holy crap, and you've been on my bollocks all day, bro.
When you and your boys have to look for another entrance.
And he's like, you gotta explore, and then once we achieve the thing we explored for, he's like, okay, we gotta explore.
No, literally. And he's like, alright, you gotta explore to find
this.
this thing so that you can explore to find this thing so that you can further explore to find this thing.
Okay, Jacob, where are you? Follow me. Jacob.
I'm at the life pod.
No, yeah, go all the way back to the life pod.
I'm gonna pee.
When did I say go back to the life pod?
Oh,
I didn't say that you said that. But
Eddie,
I said you said
Eddie,
explore.
it's deep down here, Eddie.
Eddie, are we just gonna dive down and it's gonna be like Sonic Explorer?
I'm diving in too deep.
There's no way that's the way that works.
Or no, like what?
You gotta find the machine for it.
What the frick is the machine?
The thing to actually do it.
Eddie, you're speaking in it. You know what language you're speaking in?
You guys don't know how to play video games.
Eddie, you're speaking in searching for a world that doesn't exist language.
I'm just not.
Bro, Eddie, you gotta be more specific than the machine. It's like you're telling it like it's like a fairy tale. What is the machine?
It is.
Whoa, what is this?
Whoa.
The Angel Funny?
Oh, I found a piece of the ship.
4 monitors.
I found a piece of the ship.
Oh my god, really?
Oh yeah.
Load.
What?
There we go. Fritz frickin' get it, bro. Eddie, I was swimming around. I was swimming around with my frickin' wave trotter with no batteries in it.
Okay, you're just an idiot. Nice to be like, yeah, no, I can't like look at an ore, pick it up on the wall, and put it in the crafter, and be like, use my brain. Welcome, Jacob. You missed the entrance. Oh no, you didn't.
What do you mean?
Welcome to there you go.
Wait, this
Good
is
job,
the
guys.
thing that I've done like 4 times, bro.
Yeah, there's multiple
I found,
around.
like 900 of them. Like what is?
No, you
Wait, rebreather? What is this?
I already scanned it.
Okay.
So with
Wait,
that,
so when you scan something, does it scan for all of us?
So look,
No.
yeah, it does.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Some things need multiple times to be scanned. So sometimes you
When
just
was
scan
the
it,
game
like,
gonna tell me that?
It's on your scanner. Maybe if you have like eyeballs and you use them, you can like actually see it. That's like the best part about Subnautica.
Unbelievable.
When you have eyeballs and you look around, something here he wants to grab.
Try to swear. I can swear fine.
Yeah, no swearing.
Yo, no swearing. Yo, Eddie, what is this? Ew.
What?
This big clam.
Oh, I don't know.
Portable oxygen generator. That sounds pretty cool. Oxygen generator? I can't read it all. Scan lithium? Lithium-ion batteries. I'm like scared to go in here. Okay, I'm in here.
Oh, pick up the lithium.
I can't. Requires unknown tool.
Oh yeah.
It's too big. Yeah, it's too big. It's too big.
No, we gotta figure out what the unknown tool is.
Oh my gosh,
That's the best part about exploring.
What the frick is that, bro? This. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
It's gonna be okay. Wait, are we going to the angel comb?
What the frick, bro? I didn't know that was closing in on me. That scared the crap out of me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm all good.
Are you sure?
That just scared the crap out of me, bro. Oh my gosh. Eddie, did you find this bit when you played? Did you find the big clam? Dude, I just went inside of it, started closing in on me. Oh, he's opening up again. He's okay. He's not nervous anymore.
Hey! We gotta open
Oh my
it.
gosh, I'm getting shocked in real
How do you
life, bro.
open
I'm
it?
getting shocked in real life.
I don't know which one you're at. Hold on.
Oxygen efficiency decrease? What is this thing talking about?
When you go too far down, you lose less oxygen.
Oh, frick off. Get a job, bro.
Wait, Eddie, I think I just like glitched the game.
Jacob, when he soft locks himself in every single game.
No, Eddie, like I think I just like did something I don't think I was supposed to be able to do.
Wait, I'm coming.
Cause it's closed, and I got my head like through I like no clipped my head through the thing.
Yeah,
like,
so we're gonna have to
activated
open this. Wait, you touched it?
Yeah, I touched it. Look.
Oh
if
my
you come
gosh,
over
here we go. Jacob's like breaking the whole game.
If you come over here, you can barely touch it.
Oh my gosh, you can. Wait, hold on. I'm like doing that. You didn't touch it.
No, I did. My hand went in it, and it told me something. I didn't read it because I was too busy telling you. Okay, I don't remember which side I was on. I think it was that side. I think I was like here.
Why y'all trying to like
No,
break
I just touched. I just touched it.
Why y'all trying to break it?
Yeah, Eddie.
When you glitch the game,
Max,
when you and your friends
come
glitch the
here.
game. Max,
Like,
come here.
Come up against here, and you can like touch it.
Yeah, we did it.
Like just push yourself against it. Do you
Oh
see
my
it?
gosh, oh my gosh, I did it. Wow, okay.
Am I
Hey,
like
bro,
him for that?
don't let the player hit the game. Oh,
Eddie,
wait,
am I
yeah,
him
now
for
I
that,
can
or
go
is
into the
that, like,
hot
L?
biome. I remember being over there.
Do you guys want to go there?
Sure. Yo, there's like an angry torpedo down here.
Eddie, am I him for that, or is that L?
You're like low-key pretty himmy. It's like W, like you have to like let Subnautica know the feedback though. They're gonna be like, all right, we're gonna get right on this, Jacob.
Okay, perfect.
Thanks for
I'm
informing us. of
expecting
this.
like Subnautica to like comment on Max's video and be like, okay, we'll fix this ASAP.
No, Subnautica's gonna comment and be like, you little bugger. Okay,
How am I
wait.
always-
Where's the
dude,
hot?
Eddie.
Where's the hot biome at? Where's the hot biome at?
Come back to the base and I'll bring us over there.
Eddie, did you
Eddie,
watch Max's-
your swimming form is just so like delicate.
Okay, there we go. All right, you guys want to go to the
Max
fire
ta-
area?
Max talking about
Yeah,
Jordan
I tried to go
Falls,
over there
bro, I'm
earlier
not-
and it was like telling me to
Okay,
go
what
away.
we should do first is we
What?
should
Talking
craft.
about-
Do you guys have the air tank?
Air tank.
Air tank?
Air tank.
Yes.
Yeah, I just need rubber.
Okay, well, let's get the
I
air
have the-
tank going
I
and
have the
let's get
standard
ourselves
air tank.
situated so we
Do you
can
mean
like.
the bigger one?
Okay.
Yeah, we should probably get both of them.
I have
They're
the
pretty
first
easy
one.
to get.
I have the first one.
Okay,
I just need
gotta-
rubber.
What do you need for the second?
You need the
A
plasteel.
All right, who has the
Where do you get those?
who has the habitat builder?
I do.
Okay, Max, come here.
Okay.
Come in the base, buddy.
Come.
See, okay, this is the part where we might have to go and explore stuff because we might not have a. All right. Yeah. Open it and then go to like, you scroll through to you see like processor or something like that in like one of the tabs.
I got processor.
Yeah, we're gonna need to build that.
Okay. Mild acid, Jacob. That was in the thing. Can you go retrieve it for me? And I need copper wire.
That was in the thing?
The thing right above us. I forgot what it's called. The little chute. Go
The
fetch
light
it for me, boys. Okay, you can put that other one up. I just need one.
And then with that, we can craft
And
the
then-
big like steel like ingot thing.
And then with that, we can explore.
There you go. Oh, my light's just flickered in my room. Freddy's coming in my room IRL. I dropped it on the floor. All right.
What made you think of Freddy?
I don't know. All right, what do I need for this? I need
All right,
rubber.
processor going right here. Jacob,
Remember we
chill
said
out,
cookies
bro.
that makes them make KO sounds? Okay, so we're gonna need lithium. We don't have lithium.
Yeah, we need the Sonic. We need the Sonic
Alright, hold
buddy.
on. I need silver.
Wait,
and
yeah.
then
How do we get lithium?
it's just an ore you need to find around.
No, I found lithium, but I just couldn't mine it because it was too big, and I don't have Mr. Sonic.
Grabs the resources.
Oh, I got some lithium.
Eddie.
lithium.
Oh, bring it home, Maxwell. Bring it home.
I just got one though. Is that
Well,
enough?
if you want to find like more out there, no, we'll need 3 for each of us.
Okay.
I can make the ship.
Is that what this is?
All right, so you two go in the water down there.
Okay.
And I'll get a little crafty. No, you go in the water, like swim down. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Yo.
Here's the little guy.
I think it might be glitched for me.
Oh my gosh, it's
there
just
we go.
there.
No, Jacob's soft locked. No, Jacob's soft locked.
All right, I got it. All right, I got
Yo.
it.
Wait, no, Jacob, bring it back.
Dude, you glitched off my screen and immediately just like took it. Yo, this is crazy.
All right, Max, you want to go? You want to go to the new area?
I guess so.
All right, here, get out real quick.
Okay.
I will point you in the new area. I think
Bro,
it
what
should
is this
be-
thing? It looks like a baked
It should be
meat,
this
bro.
way.
It
It
looks
should be that
like
way.
a
All right,
mighty
so what we're
meat.
gonna do, Max, you hop in the driver's seat, and me and Jacob grab the yellow. All
right, let's go.
All right, Max, we're on. Drive straight, Max. And you have
Holy
lights
crap.
with
And
right
I just
click.
don't lose
No.
oxygen because
Yeah,
I'm
we
holding
don't
onto
yeah.
the bar?
Yeah, you don't lose oxygen.
What a freaking crazy play this is.
W play, bro.
What are we gonna find in this new area? What a mystery this is.
Such
Oh my
fun
gosh,
things
I'm
to
just hitting
explore,
stuff.
your friend.
The temperature's rising.
Yeah, this is it. This is the moment we've all waited for.
Hydrothermal vents are a dependable source
Here we
of
are.
minerals and power.
It's just a bunch of bull crap over here, Eddie.
No. This is just the entrance, Max.
Okay. Little butthole.
Who's that friend? Let's
Can we
fly in it.
Okay.
When you fly in the hole.
Trick shot.
Oh!
Dude, I thought they'd let me do that.
Welcome to the new area. Oh, wait.
Dude,
that
it is
part of
hot
the
as a
game? Do you
fart
guys-
over here.
Wait, do you guys hear that? Is that
What is
part of
that?
the game?
Okay, is that AO right there or what?
Welcome
Y'all see that?
to the new
Yo!
area.
Jacob, look at what's going on in Adventure, man. Like, is this fun or what? Like, imagine
Ooh,
if this
whoa,
was real
whoa,
life.
whoa.
Your Mickey Mouse.
Yo, what was that? I'm going away from that, bro. Something's
Dude, I have,
screaming,
like,
bro.
Beautiful music playing to this.
He's ticked off.
Oh my god!
Yo!
It's above me! Yo, he's hitting me!
He hit me, Max. Max drifted, bro.
Drifting around the corner. Hold on. It's like we got a ship remnants over here. Why is y'all ticked off at us? We didn't even do anything.
I'm on the top.
Am I like whipping y'all around like all crazy?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Where are we going now?
You should keep going like, yeah, like this one.
Okay. Oh wait, it's getting cooler. Am I going the wrong way?
Yeah, like go like that. Maybe like a little left.
Yo, I'm hearing these noises, Eddie. What's going
Dude,
on?
I know now. I'm
Whoa,
like, getting scared.
whoa.
Echo analysis detects
What is this?
precipitous silence.
Oh my god, the evil room.
Oh, it's the base.
In the seafloor.
Oh. What's up, buddy?
Can we go in?
Base. Yo, you want to explore the base?
Yeah.
Wait, let's get out. Let's explore.
What's in here, bro?
I'm gonna need my lights on.
Let's get a little scanning.
Be careful. Are they nipples?
We're getting all these little, like, unique little scans in here.
Little fishies.
Oh, what the frick is this? Scout Ray chassis?
That's the mechanical McGuckin. Yeah.
Dining chair unlocked.
Alright, do you guys want to get
about it?
Do you guys want to get
Yeah,
back inside
I'll
the
get back
funny?
on.
Wait,
Hey, we could probably just like keep going straight. Wait, Jake,
Wait,
get in
I'm
the
going
ship.
to get more oxygen, or do I not need to?
No, just get on the ship. Get on the ship. You'll
Does it
replenish them.
do it?
Yeah, it does it. Wait, is Jacob on? Wait, Jacob's not on.
I don't know if I want to be going to the cool area. Whoa. What do we got down here?
Whoa, when it glows, when bro.
Yo, what the frick is that, bro?
Max.
Oh my god, this whole area is called me blue.
What? What?
Max!
What the frick is that, Eddie? What the frick is that, Eddie?
You have to drive away!
Wait, that's my friend. That's my friend.
Wait,
Yo,
no,
this
it's Jacob's
area is
friend.
huge, bro. Where is he?
It's a big squid.
Big fat squid. Don't squirt on me, bro. Dude, he's still there,
You guys
bro.
made me angry. Oh my
He's
gosh.
looking at me. He's looking at me.
Gosh.
He's looking at me, bro.
Imagine driving into like the sea.
Bro, this is terrifying.
He's still there. He's still there. Bro, it's killing me. You don't care, bro.
Bro, what the frick is that?
It's over.
We gotta keep going in that direction though.
We do?
Oh yeah.
Wait. Can I just sneak by him though? Do you think he'll notice?
That's
No,
what
he
I'm trying to do.
won't. He won't. He won't.
Nah, he won't notice.
Yo, Eddie, I think you noticed.
He's making scary sound.
Eddie, he noticed?
I think he knows. I think he knows.
I don't think he did. I think we could just keep going.
Oh,
I think he knows, Max.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna sneak by him. Do I just gotta go
You gotta
this
hit it
way?
right. You're going back home. No, you're going back home. You gotta hit it right.
Oh, okay. What's over here?
This is the new area, Maxwell.
Why is he like guarding it though? Like we're like invading his home. This is like rude.
Sorry.
Okay.
All right,
Dude,
Jake, can you give
it
us
kills
like an
me.
explorer like overlay thing?
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
you
yeah.
like say like your like explorer voice.
All right, yeah. Ready? As you can see, we've reached the bottom of the ocean. But one mystery still remains. What was that giant creature chasing our underwater ship? Well, we've moved on now. But I have a feeling that that's not the only encounter that we'll experience.
Bro, the music is scaring the crap out of me.
So the only time will tell where we are actually going.
Dude, it's pitch black.
Dude, I can't see anything. I just can't see anything.
Dude, why are there little Call Me Please blue particles everywhere, bro?
Dude, there are actually a lot of them.
W game, they're like my little friends. They're my little buddies.
It's so you know where like you're going. Well, it's like there's like a butthole up here. There's like a butthole up here.
Go in it.
Okay.
Go in it. Go in it. Go in it.
There's two buttholes. Left, right, or left, right, left, right.
In the hole. Left.
Take
left and then go in the right. Call me please blue hole.
Yo, what is that fish doing, bro?
Huh. It seemed like it might have led into the side of the mountain, but it didn't.
What the frick, bro? It's like a little boost.
Hey, Max, hit like a little pull up. Hit like a little pull up to the right. Little pull up to the right.
What's over here?
Oh,
See the girls in.
When bro finds the beautiful land.
Oh shoot.
Detecting powered fabricator systems and construction materials.
Whoa. Oh, we're gonna have to get searchy. We're gonna have to get searchy.
We have to get a little searchy. We gotta put the goggles on.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to get searchy. I hear something blinking, calling Eddie's name. Oh, it's right here. It's right outside.
What is it, Ed?
Oh, it's an air. We already had it. It was an air tank.
Okay.
Wait, it's another one. Calling Eddie's name. Hello, buddy. Bro gets efficiency.
Whoa!
Jacob, come back! Jacob, come back!
I need.
Whoa! Why is it going so incredibly fast?
Wait, Jacob glitched it!
All systems are...
Wait, I'm putting the power back in. I'm putting the power back in.
Wait, Jacob, do that again.
Wait, hold on. How do I get back in?
In the front.
Whoa!
Yo! Jacob! Jacob, come back up! Jacob, come back up! Jacob, come back up!
Wait, let us get on it. Let us get on it while you do that.
Okay.
Stop. Let's get on the side.
Jacob.
Stop moving! Wait, no, Jacob, you drive it. You drive it.
Slow down.
You drive it.
Okay, ready?
Alright, I'm ready.
It's like a roller
Wait, Jacob, go to the Leviathan with the fast ship.
Where do I go?
Like that. Keep going like this way. Like to the... Yeah, like this way.
I can't see much in front of me though.
How are you doing
this is like Star Wars. This is sick. Oh shit! Let's go.
Wait, like, go all the way up in the water. Go all the way up. Just look up and go straight.
Yo!
Keep doing it.
Wait, I gotta go like super far down. Wait, hold on, let's go back.
How are you glitching it? How'd you glitch it?
I don't even know how he did
Ready? We're going up! Oh! Where's that Leviathan, bro?
Go see him again, bro. What is his name, bro?
Where he is. Oh no!
Oh shoot!
No,
Jacob,
turn around,
Jacob! I'm going back. We're going back.
Wait, go back in there. We gotta see the scary guy. We gotta see the other scary guy.
Go back where? I don't know where in there is.
Turn around and just go straight. Go straight through the border. Go through the border.
What do you mean go through the border? It said you'll die.
No, you don't die.
Oh.
Just wait for it. Wait for it.
This is where you see Mr. Scary.
Oh! Wait, where is he?
Oh, he's right there!
Oh my gosh, there he is!
Wait, we're looping back around.
Dude, he like can't even catch us because we're so fast, bro.
Bro. I wanna, dude. Did you guys see like how sick that was when we passed the other one and like ducked under him?
Dude, it was so cinematic.
I know. Oh shoot,
Jacob, how did you do this, bro?
I just got in.
Bro, how are we back at the house, bro?
Dude, this is like the sickest thing ever, bro.
Dude, we actually got like the extra speed blitz boat,
dude,
bro.
I'm finding glitches left and right.
Bro, like if you need someone to like test your game, just have Jacob play it, bro.
Dude, it's crazy because I actually like can't stop it, bro. Like I can't
until you
get
out.
Fast. Where should I go? Where do we want to go?
I'm dehydrating.
Jacob, take us home.
Okay.
Yeah, take us home.
Hold on.
I wonder what this feels like. I wonder what this feels like for us, bro. We're probably like.
Wait, do I just have that like infinitely?
Wait,
I don't know.
Does that work for me now? Hold on.
No,
bro. I got the chill, bro.
Me.
Wait, Jacob, do it again. Wait, see if it stays doing it.
Wait, ready? Wait, stand where I am.
Okay.
Stand where wait, actually stand right here. Stand right here. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Only Jacob, bro. Like this stuff would happen
Jacob,
too.
bro. that is funny, bro. What
Dude,
the
I
frick
gotta
is wrong
see,
with
bro.
your game, bro?
I gotta see when that happens.
Wait, Jacob, you know what you should do? Wait, hold on. Let me drive you to an area where it might be funny to do something. Let me drive real quick.
Bro, I actually need another chocolate chip cookie after that. It actually felt like a Disney movie, bro. When we saw the Leviathan and I ducked under it.
Can you bring us back to him, bro? Can you bring us back to him?
I don't know where he is.
Hold on. Wait, get on real quick. Everyone on. I'll like point you in the direction, Jacob.
All right, y'all ready?
Dude, it kills me because Jacob just starts screaming, bro.
Like, bro, how is it only Jacob?
I don't know.
Dude.
So I just keep going this way?
Dude, Eddie, we should try to scan him.
Where is he?
Contact. Altera starship wreck detected.
Oh, shit.
We were outside.
Fresh water intake.
I don't know where we are.
are.
I don't know, it's just like bros, like three bros like swimming in the water right there.
We're 3K meters from home, bro.
Bro,
I don't know where we are.
I'm just going to like
Dude,
different
Jacob, you're
areas.
scaring the crap out of me, bro.
What is that?
What?
The ship's breaking!
Oh, because you're too far down. Go up, go.
Jacob. Oh no! No!
We were right by
Jacob.
Bro, it's killing me. They just killed you and ran away,
When you're in water like that, you genuinely can't tell how low you are, because it's just water.
Bro,
they just killed Max and went away.
Bro, I'm like all the way away now, bro. I'm right by the squid bubby,
Dude, I don't
bro.
even know if I'm gonna be able to make it to the surface, bro.
Dude, y'all are far, bro.
That was so funny, bro. Dude, Max, can you please load up the recording right now and show
Bro,
when we ducked
yeah.
under the
I gotta do an outro. We gotta get back to the base, bro. Alrighty, y'all. Well, after Jacob zoomed us into utter despair. Oh, what the freak? You just like glitched forward, bro. After Jacob zoomed us into utter despair, and we saw a glimpse of the Leviathans. After a bunch of exploring, a bunch of crafting. Special thanks to Eddie for helping us get this far after we got lost. If you guys did enjoy part 1 of Subnautica 2 and you'd like to see more, make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, especially if you did make it this far. And I'll see you guys next time. Au revoir, my friends. Peace.